Sorry, you know park well. Park, move.
You this old Richard security man. What's your problem? What's wrong with where he parked the car? Don't you have any respect for rich people?
My pikin, I know.
Babe, don't worry. I will repark the car.
Don't tell me to calm down. What's wrong with this man?
Don't worry, I'm going to repark. Sorry, sir. Please, forgive her. Sorry. Let me repark.
I abuse you now.
I don't like it.
So sorry. Forgive her, please.
Huh? Get man walking. It's okay. Oh.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world.
What's a painful death? Just look at the way this girl just wasted her life for. Just like that. Who knows what she might have done? Hey, somebody's daughter. For that matter. I can see her. I can't. It can never happen to me.
He knows who is righteous. He knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself before your time. Take it easy.
Chineke. Hey! Kwado mamadu, kwado mamadu. Yes, ma. Hey, this is the girl they brought to. Hey! The girl they brought to. Hey, whoa. Hey, so this is what they did to this girl. Hey! They killed her and dumped her here. Ha, ha, ha. Is the girl like, ah! Oh! Hey, whoa! Look at what they are doing to our young girls. Eh? And I have 2 daughters at home. I keep telling them what is it? How? Oh. Hey! Hey! Whoa. Oh! Yeah, no.
Do you know what they do at your back? So please take life easy. Pray to God, bless your children. Pray for them every day and night.
I was shocked when I saw her dead body lying on the road with parts of her body missing.
God forbid. Premature death is not our portion in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Ha.
That is exactly what I am saying. That premature death is not in your portion. It's something you have to do. Eh? Look at that girl. She was so skimpily dressed. I saw her with my eyes.
Papa.
She rubbed this, she will rub that like you. Look at what you have rubbed. This kind of dressing and this kind of makeup will not attract honest men of integrity. Eh? Look, let me tell you. Do you know that the way you dress is the way you are dressed? There are some things you wear, you will only attract criminals, thieves, hooligans, Yahoo boys, armed robbers, name them.
Papa, please. For the fact that we are always dressing in trending clothes doesn't mean that we are wayward. We're not.
What is trending about?
They are just
you?
trending things that other people would wear it.
What is trending about the clothes? What is trending about a girl going naked round the street? And it's you. You are the one that will challenge me. But all I am saying is for your own good. It is a fatherly advice. And let me warn you, I will not allow any of you dress indecently outside this gate. If I get you, you will pay severely for it.
Papa, I don't know why this topic you're just speaking directly to me. I don't understand it. Papa, the last time I checked, my father is not even a prophet. Secondly, I don't know why can't you talk to Oluchi?
But he's talking to the God of
Why would he talk to me only if my lash is longer than your own?
Your lashes is longer than my own.
How?
Can't you see? Lashes. Look at this, my short lashes here. You're comparing it to this your own. It's your red lipstick. Look at your colored hair. Look at your cheeks.
I beg you.
Please,
Exactly. Tell her.
just take your message and just leave me alone.
You are the black sheep
Hey.
of this family.
Papa, I'm not dark in complexion.
You are the black sheep.
She should be the black sheep, not me.
I am not the black sheep.
You want to call me sheep, you call me first sheep. Black sheep.
Papa. We're ready to go for lessons.
Go now.
Papa, which one is we should go now? She just told you we're ready for lessons. In other words, we need money for us to transport ourselves to the lesson center.
To which lesson center?
The same lesson center that you registered us in now.
The lesson center that is just 2 or 3 streets away from here. You want me to give you money to go to lesson center? Hey!
Papa, asking us to trek to that lesson it means you're punishing us now. Please just give us transport to go.
What is punishment in this, Oluchi? If that lesson center was to be in our village, it will not be as far as St. Paul's Catholic Church where we worship.
Papa, that one is different.
Don't we trade to the church?
It's different, Papa.
Don't we trade back? You want me to give you money to go for?
Papa, that one is the village. Oh. This one is the city. You don't expect us to trek all the way to the lesson center. You should give your children money to go to lesson. What kind of punishment is this one now?
It's alright. It's okay. Come and take the money now. Force me to come and give.
Papa, we don't need to force you. It's your responsibility to give us money for lesson. Okay. Please give us money.
Okay. Listen, even if I was to give anybody money, it's you, Oluchi. Yes! Not this one that disobeys me at every turn.
Papa, what have I done to you? What is it that I've ever done to you that you cannot just forgive me? Why do you dislike me, Papa? Why?
It is not about disliking you. You disobey me. You disobey me at every turn in this house.
What does disobedience have to do with it?
It has a lot to do. Yes! Okay, look at what you are wearing. No. Maybe I don't have eyes to see. Let your sister see what.
Papa, I will turn. I am turning now. Papa, turning. Come now, turn.
You see it? Is this what a decent girl from a decent family will wear to go for lesson? Will you even concentrate in that lesson? I don't have money.
Kosi, why don't you just go in and get changed? Let's go. We're running late.
Okay, no, Uche. Shut that thing on your face. Who brought you? Why would you even pick yourself into the discussion?
I'm just trying to help.
Why will you help me? Have you helped yourself? Mother Mary, have you helped yourself? Who asked you to put your mouth in this discussion? Was I talking to you? Papa!
Your transport money. If you want yours, go and change that thing you're wearing.
Papa, don't give me transport money. As a matter of fact, I am going to lesson. Yes, and Papa, I'm not going to check. If I go outside there and somebody gives me little, I'll enter it and go to lesson. And as for you, you meet me there.
You go and leave. My dear, go take it and go to your lesson.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right.
This your dress code matter. Stop the argument. Just listen to him. It won't take anything from you.
I don't understand. What are you saying? What are you even implying?
Look, Papa is not getting any younger. He's an old man. And this constant nagging and arguing with him will agitate his BP. Do you want to kill him?
Here! Oh! Here we are. My sister, please, if you do not mind, this is my way of dressing. This is my style of dressing. This is me, Kosistu. This is the way I want to be. If anybody in the world, including Papa or even you, does not like the way I dress, I think the person should rather go and hug a transformer and make sure you're wet when you eat.
See, Josie, this is just you misunderstanding me. Of course, I understand your way of dressing. I understand it because I belong in the same generation as you. But Papa is old school. He doesn't belong to our generation. So how do you even intend to convince him that, oh, this is the proper way of dressing? He would not understand it.
See, sometimes when you talk like this, it just makes me to miss our late mother. Because you and Papa, I don't see any difference. Because if Mama was to be around, she would have been the only one in this family who would be standing by me. But no, you will support Papa. You will always support him. Listen, this is my way of dressing. Nobody is going to change it. Because from the way you're sounding, it is very understandable that you don't even like the way I dress. So stop sounding as if it's only Papa that has the problem with it. I am not changing. See, don't come and start preaching to me. Because you're wearing some clothes with some 100 sign, you don't think that you're not in sync. Please avoid me.
Kosi, you're running mad.
That's your
what has my 100 got to do with this? You have
now
to bring my 100 gown into it.
I don't know.
See, listen, Papa is all we've got. Just understand with me. You are my sister. Do you understand? I love you. Papa is all we've got. And we are all he has. Do you understand? I love you as a sister. I have no problem with your dress sense. But just calm down a little. Calm down for him. Stop arguing with him all the time. It won't take anything from you.
Are you done?
Let's go enter Keke.
You say, enter, wait, enter what? Where are you going to get money from? Wait a minute. Because Papa managed to give us 200 naira, you not think we've arrived. Money that could not even take us to the lesson center, now we're just going back. You expect that 200 naira to take us to and fro. You see why I say you people should avoid me? Please. Jesus.
Don't worry, we'll manage. I'll find a way. The 200 will be enough.
It will be enough for you,
us.
not me. You guys have a problem with the way I dress. Then
Because I don't have a problem with the way you dress. Goodness, why are you always misunderstanding people? What is your problem? I don't have a problem with the way you dress. I said stop arguing with Papa over your dressing. It's that simple. What is that?
Continue.
You're mad.
Mommy Gio.
Honey, please, I have to hurry up so I don't miss my flight.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Maxwell.
Sir.
Please, take the bag to the car. Alright, sir. Rita, please go to the room by my bedside. You see my vitamin C there. Bring it and take it to the car.
Okay, sir.
Alright. Honey, of a truth, if I have my way, trust me, I will not embark on this journey. But I have invested so much money in this business and they requested my presence. I have to be there. If I do not go, trust me, I will lose so much money.
Well, sweetheart, I understand. I understand perfectly. Just like you said, if you didn't go, you will lose so much money. And I will not like you to lose so much money. Just that, baby, I am going to miss you. Just take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Just within the space of 2 weeks, I should be done with my business partners and I have to come back to be with my lovely family.
Daddy, I miss you. I miss you too.
I'll miss you both so much, so much, so much. But don't worry, I'll be back soon. Just say in the space of 2 weeks, I'll be back.
Okay, Daddy. Daddy, when you're coming back, can you please buy us goodies?
Alright, say it. Whatsoever you want, tell me, and I'll make sure I get them for you.
Daddy, I want a big teddy bear.
Consider you done.
And me, strawberry and chocolate, my favorite.
Mr. Strawberry and Chocolate, you will get it. Oh, come on.
You and strawberry.
Honey, I have to go. I have to go.
Okay,
I have to go. Let's go. I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Daddy, we love you.
I love you
We
too.
love you.
Oh, see you when I'm back.
Excuse me.
Just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I'm gonna be back. Okay.
Okay, Daddy.
All right. All right, love.
Brother, now the crankshaft. The thing just for equal junction, just off, just like that too. So you get my guy where they work for that side. Okay, now they push and go. He say no, if you come there, come do it for me.
No, so to work again now, they very expensive. Just say you go free work them now. So where they like this.
Now the thing now.
Last time I help you push them, we just go front. Maybe push them small.
I beg.
That kind of thing.
Just put on for me.
Stop wow. Open, see as you do now.
Thank you.
I'll help you push them. This is like again, now wahala. Ha, my brother. Oh, push them, keep them here now. Push them, keep them here. Sorry.
Okay. And you go.
See
You feel they push small man rest.
You come make we push now. We never. Now you call me. No be you call me to come help you now. I see you where you they come, they push, they do your thing. I say make I just help this my man. I don't push him now, help you get to this point. You don't tell me. But I just small thing where you help me push. A lot of people who see you where you part, where you they waka, where you they. I see you the other time where you they do I'm like this. They help you. Now when I come, okay, see make. You get one guy where they work, one boy where they work here. They work with you. I go tell him. If I tell him make him come help you, you just stay here. Then you come help you work this. And this I get on the die. If you just change them number, or you can't have just.
Which kind of push you do for me? Something where you just push from here, reach here, nah. I just say you want at least help me push up the road now, make a meter. You know, if you want a person, you help and well now. This kind thriller help you. Wait, you just give me small. You don't even help me, you climb here. You know, say my leg no good now.
No verse. Now why I help you now? Man, I just call that guy. Just wait, go see him now. Go call the guy, maybe he can help you. No verse. Are they come now? No. Just wait. Are they come?
Make I just wait.
Are you sure there's any bag?
Oh, there's one coming.
Hey!
Back of the Zuna Sam.
Yes.
How many people wait they see for this place? Have you bought?
Now 200 naira.
No, but 150. Just carry a small.
Wait. Which 150? No, buy the bike for me. I said 200. They talk about that. They won't go run enter my bike. Now 200 naira. But I guess the price better money. Now go near the price small money. No, buy the bike.
I don't understand. So why you call the chat now? Now, Paula.
Why not go share? Why go price 150?
If you know that good for you, you carry your Kimstone, get her from this place now.
He insult me.
You want that? You know how to suppose that all.
He insult me for my own bike.
You are working on that.
See, on her two. If I beat on her for year, John on her two together, and I go beat on her two together.
You like
that? I shall one cook.
Your mama like that shower. Your generation na shower. Shey you dey mad? They dey mock you. As you talk, say who you want beat? I told you with your red cap. Go punish your generation. You dey mad. You dey make you not show nation. You not fit anything. You dey press.
I go beat you. I go beat you. Don't do now. What you calling me, bastard? They say what you say 200 and they supposed to stop me for that from my own bike again.
If shower.
You forget about shower.
Listen to me. I don't blame this guy.
Two of honor.
See, I don't blame your fault. You know why? First you want carry rope. First one carry rope. Then tell you. What you expect? You not be God to be. You not fit. Not be God to the use of the guy. They use of the guy.
Thank you, bros.
Come on here. Come on here.
They don't spoil my bike.
The bike no even good sef. Imagine rubbish bike wey no good.
Thank God the person no enter.
Thank God no enter this bike oh. Na accident.
Mona faster.
Na God go punish you.
Ashawo.
Ayo keep say come on.
Ashawo pikin. Ashawo pikin. Bastard. See, correct am.
Idiot.
What is
that? See there. Frustrated he go to the
tell okay, he don't go now. Una one fight man. Eh? You don't fight small thing, he go fit.
If man no respect himself, you fight
your fine self.
You don't fit. You don't fit. Leave that thing.
Don't try to me no fit. Maybe this muscle what they say. You don't fit.
The muscle strong go. He's strong bros and we get brain too.
Wetin happen sef?
Small thing oh. We dey go up and down road. We don't stop and finish. We enter in bike. We say 200, we say 150. Finish oh. The idiot begin conversation.
You begin insult person.
Ubi ashawo. We reserve
ashawo. See product.
I reserve ashawo.
Wasted product.
Where is ashawo for you? It mad.
My mama.
You don't do now. Eh? Una suppose know say the normal name wey they call girls for streets na ashawo. The normal name wey they call us na thief. They don't even add ritualist self join them. That's not the reason people will now be fighting now. Eh? If you disfigure you now, what you go talk?
You don't try am.
You don't go feel
like you rope and go drag am.
You don't fit. You don't fit on the normal. You don't fit.
Which hand way you want to take water? This muzzle.
We get
this lizard muzzle what they see. I mean remember for house. Where on they go? Where
Wapanam Road.
Back of Zona Salon.
Wapanam Road.
Come make a drop on. I go take am easy. Your life no day like that. Mona can't enter now.
Thank you.
No, the keke get anger sensor. Now because of this anger now, that quarrel. Yeah.
I we don't invest again. We don't have to move.
Okay, you have everything. They all right.
Then we shine our teeth.
Wait, they all right. Come on, they calm down. Just so I know they get patience.
Ma, you called me. Are we through with the chores? No, Ma. I'll be through in a short while. Where's Master? He's not yet back from dropping the children at school. Okay. Once he's back, tell him I said he should come meet me in my office. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am. Ma, what should I be preparing for lunch and dinner? In the kitchen. I've already drafted the menu. Just glance through it, it will help you. Okay, ma'am. And please, take care of my children. Make sure they don't destroy anything in this house. All right, ma'am. You can go.
Maswell. See, I don't like it. You have to stop it. Stop touching me, eh? Else I'll report you to Madam. And I mean it.
You report me to Madam? What concerns Madam concerning the love I have for you? Or are you ready with that battery that you have to go and be broadcasting? Huh?
I've told you. I don't like the tickled. I don't like it. Eh? Don't you get it? I don't like it.
Don't you used to like it when I used to tickle you? Huh? Don't you used to enjoy it?
Me?
Huh?
Enjoy you.
Answer me.
Touching me. Eh? Might well see, you are taking me for granted. You don't know me, oh. I'm a big girl. Big girl. I have class. Like, I have class. I know the kind of guys I mingle with. Eh? You are not my type.
That's why I have class though. Do you know the kind of way that I ain't giving? I have class. Do you know me? Let me be Maswell, Commissioner for Women Affairs. Rita, my love. Akwaka. Eganji. Huh? I'm not like all these small boys that talks to you. Huh? I'm into big things. Gotta go. I will surprise you. I know the kind of language you mummy like you. Yeah, so you gotta go. Come maybe small. Maswell me. Rita, my love. You can see, this is the language you girls hear. Rita, my love. I'm in control now. I'm in control. Don't worry about it. I still have more. Now come to daddy.
Maswell. Don't touch me. Eh? You are giving me money. Money.
Yes.
I hope you not steal from madam.
Why would I steal money from madam? How can Maswell in a huh? I know
why I'm asking. No.
Maswell in a I have to belittle myself. What don't matter like this? Go and steal money from madam. I'm capable. I'm capable of taking care of
Stop
you.
It! Stop touching me.
Down now.
Leave me alone.
I settled you. I've settled you.
See, I counted that money. I counted it. It's because of that chicken chain that you gave to me. That, see, let me tell you. Even if I would do it, not
why? Let me get to you now. I'm the owner of this house. I can do anything here now. Huh? Haven't I given you money already? Rita, my...
leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Rita, my love.
Yes? Who is it? Coming. What's that?
Oh, Susan. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, that's okay. You're here now.
I missed you.
I missed you more.
You know what? Let me go and make you happy.
Hello, where are you?
Oh, Pat.
I'm so sorry. I was actually going to the office. So I decided to come see you, but I'm sorry, I never knew you had a visitor. I'll come back later.
No, Pat. That's okay. You're here already. We can see briefly. You want to see me, right?
Yes. Okay.
Sweetheart, just excuse me for a sec. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be right back. You want to see me, right?
Chika, who is this guy? Who is he?
I don't understand. My friend.
Really? A friend? And I saw you guys in that awkward position. You're telling me he's just a friend? Chika!
I don't understand. Pat, are you alright?
Am I alright? Yes, I'm fine. I should ask you that question. Are you alright? Wait, Chika, don't tell me you're cheating on your husband.
All right, baby. I think I have to go now, right? I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
Okay, darling. I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
That's fine.
Hope you're not angry.
Oh, no.
I'll see you later.
Alright, safe.
Bye. Wait a minute. Did you just apologize to him?
Oh my God. No, Pat. For crying out loud, what's up with all these series of silly questions you've been bombarding me with? Like, why am I being questioned that way? Yeah, I'm cheating on my husband. You got it right. Exactly what you saw. So, why are you making it look like a big deal? Now, why are you being dramatic about this whole thing? It's my life, so you expect me not to satisfy myself when the urge calls? Is that it?
When the urge calls. Chika, do you realize you're a married woman and you're not supposed to do this?
Says who? No, says who? Okay, because I am married, I should die of Konji? No, I should let SS Konji kill me because I'm married.
What are you saying? You can control your urge if you want to. You know that.
How? You can't control Konji. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it's real and uncontrollable. I am married, of course I am married. And I'm cheating on my husband, oh yes. I can't let Konji kill me. I've got to do what I have to do. I'm a baby girl for life. Oh yes? And who says my husband isn't cheating on me wherever he is with God knows who? Who says that? For 5 straight years, 5 bloody years, I haven't set my eyes on my husband. And you expect me not to enjoy myself when I can? Of course, I will always satisfy myself. The only thing my husband knows is send me money whenever I need money. Sweetheart, money does not cure Konji. A girl has to do what she has to do. Very simple.
See, you're mad. In fact, you're stupid. You're not thinking. You can't think. You can't use your head. What if someone walks in? What if it was your husband's relative or maybe brother or sister just walked in? What are you going to tell them?
Sweetheart, I'm not a baby. I know how to take care of myself.
Oh, really?
Trust me, I'm doing just that.
See, you're not a baby and you know how to take care of yourself. Fine. Okay, that's by the way. What about the materials I asked you to bring for me? Did you buy them?
Of course I did. It's in my office.
Okay. In that case, I have to run. People are waiting for me in my own office. Okay. I will see you later. And make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know what you're doing.
Bye! Can you imagine? This girl is just a killjoy. Like, she just walked in and spotted my phone and think it's okay. Of course I know what I'm doing, my mother. I know what I'm doing.
People judge you by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge you by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see. Appearance, nasty hands. When you see somebody, don't look down on him because you can. Appearance, doesn't matter always. Don't give conclusion yet.
Hello? You don't remember me?
Are you talking to me?
You don't know me.
I don't know you.
How will you say you don't know me? It's me now. That day you fight with a bike for that Ukomili Junction.
Okay, I remember you. Hey, you changed though.
Okay, that day I know we are big.
How are you? How have you been?
How your sister?
She's fine. She has gone me.
You don't follow you school lesson.
No, we went, but I had extra class.
Practical. It be like you do science.
Yeah, I want to be a chef accountant.
Oh, chartered accountant. You want count plenty money?
Yes, nah, I like money.
You want work with Soludo?
Yes, nah.
If you be accountant, you must concentrate for mathematics. You must concentrate on economics. Very, very important.
You are right. But the mathematics is giving me problem. I know economics. The maths is so hard for me.
Commerce. That's economics. Maths. Commerce. Very, very important.
I know economics, but maths is very hard for me.
Maths is no hard though. Maths is my favorite subject, sir. Commerce. Economics. Mathematics. Commerce. These three subjects is very, very important.
What do you know about maths?
See you. Mathematics. It's a simultaneous equation. Quadratic equation. Graph. Either you go school, self, you don't carry a math set. You have to carry math set. You don't buy math sets now. Yeah? Okay, no problem. We'll see you next time. Yeah?
People
Get your sister
by what they see, appearance.
Wonders will never cease.
What is it?
Mary, do you know that Chika brings men in her matrimonial home? Yes.
So it has gotten to the extent that she's bringing them into her matrimonial home.
It has gotten to that extent. I'm shocked. I was shocked to see what they were doing in her sitting room. They were romancing each other. Yes. If you see what I saw today, you see this your eyes, you will shed tears.
My dear, imagine if it was her husband people that caught them in that act. What will she have done?
I don't know. Exactly my question. But you should be the one to go and ask Chika, not me.
Even if she decides to cheat, which I'm not in support, but must she bring them in her matrimonial home?
Must she? I don't understand. They have good hotels around. Must she bring them to her home? Husband's house?
Well, that is her worry, not us. Meanwhile, do you have the shoe I ordered?
Mary, yes, I got them. They should be somewhere there.
Please, let me check them. Forget about that Chika.
I should forget about Chika.
Where do you think you're going to? Eh? Let me warn you. Let me warn you, and for the last time, in this house. Kosi, I will not allow you to waste your time with men. I will not allow you to live in my house and get pregnant by a man who has done nothing on your head.
Papa, what is it?
Is it not your useless sister?
Papa, please, point of correction. You can call me any other thing, but not a useless.
What? Shut up!
Papa, I am not a useless girl.
Shut up! I will call you whatever I like. If you see the way where I saw your sister, if you see where I saw her and what she was doing where I saw her, then you will better understand that this girl is useless. She's stupid. She's useless. She wants to bring disgrace. Disgrace upon me.
What happened?
I was only discussing with Ken.
Who is Ken?
Who is Ken? Who is Ken? Go see who is Ken. Answer now. Answer. Who is Ken? Who is Ken? Answer.
Ken is the guy who rescued us the other day that drives Keke.
Oh! Papa, relax now. Papa, there's nothing going on between Kosi and Ken. As a matter of fact, Ken is the Keka guy that normally takes us for our lessons. Those times you don't give us transport. There's nothing. In fact, Kosi is not his girlfriend.
I don't want him to carry bull again. I will give you transport.
Okay, Papa.
I don't want that boy near him. I don't look, please. Papa. You will not get pregnant in my house. You will not get pregnant.
Papa, it's okay, just calm down, okay? Kosi, you go in there. Your food is on the table, okay? I'm going out.
Where are you going?
Papa.
Where are you going to?
Papa, I'm going to church. for vigil. It's tonight.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Go well. But not like this, your useless sister that wants to bring disgrace to my house. Not like her. Look at your sister. She's going to church. You are there with Keke. Keke! Not even a good car. Not even a Mercedes Benz. Keke! Hey! Hello, Keke!
Papa, let me go. I'm running late. Oh.
Go!
I just have to go.
Go, it's homework. Greet the pastors for me.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. Nabia mama gama, ifendo waneme, mere niru. May God help us in this world.
I'm sorry for everything, for what happened the other day. It is not in my wish for it to happen. Of course, you know.
I should be the one apologizing. I'm sorry for what my father did. He's always like that. Whenever he sees me with someone.
No, you don't have to blame him. Oh. He's doing what he has to do as a father. My own father would do the same.
Eh?
Yes, so
even
me, if I catch my sister hanging around with another man on the road, I will kill that man now. Yes, so it's just a normal thing that he's supposed to do as a father. So don't take it, don't overthink of it. He's just trying to make you the best woman. So all these useless boys, you will not, will not do something unspeakable to their daughter. You okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay.
So, according to your mathematics, I can always help you. I can always be helping you to teach you the difficult parts that you don't know.
Mathematics. What does the Keke man know about maths?
Look at you. You don't have to look down on somebody like that too, because I'm driving Keke. I am very good at mathematics. The only thing that I'm finding it small difficult is English. But if it's mathematics, leave that one for me. I can even be sleeping and be solving mathematics. Look at you.
Okay, if you say so. But where are we now going to stay and be learning it? And besides, won't it be disturbing you and your business?
No, don't worry about that. I don't drive Keke every time of the day. Sometimes I have break for myself, so we can use the break to be learning it. So leave that one for me. When the time comes, we'll plan it well.
Okay, if you say so. Thank you.
Thank you. So I hope you're learning very fast, dear.
I'm learning. Me, I'm very brilliant too.
And all these boys are not always disturbing you. They don't allow you to concentrate. Huh?
They used to disturb small.
Small.
Disturb me small.
Come, let me drop you. Let me see how they will disturb you when they are seeing me. Let's go.
Wait, Mom, waiting for my sister. I finished lesson before her. I don't know what is. Here she is.
Oh, okay.
Only I've been waiting for you now. It's still time. Why did you took so much time now? What happened? What are you discussing with him? We're just talking normally now, nothing else. Talking normally. Yeah. Kosi, I hope Papa's suspicion is not true. Which one is Papa's suspicion again?
Okay now, speaking English.
Which one is Papa's? Don't come and enter. I will decode you. I will decode that thing. I will decode you very soon.
What are you decoding now? What are you doing here? Oju, don't mind her. How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
No, we're just about going home.
Why is she making her this like?
Don't worry, forget about her. Alpha,
listen. My friend will be hosting a party this evening, so I want you people to come with me.
Kosi, party?
Yes,
wow.
Party. Big one. Chai. Don't think about it. Listen, his friends will be around, and they're coming with big money. You know, June.
No worries.
I'll
discuss with my sister. I'll call you.
What are you discussing? Please come, let's go.
Get out! Get out! Kata.
What's wrong with her?
Forget about her. I'll discuss with her. I'll go back and call you.
What is the worry about? She's coming. Yeah, look for my hand. I will go on. Shaba, you will not come now. Let's go South Africa. You will go. You will not come to the house. Oh.
What is wrong with you?
I will leave you and go.
Abeg, shut up. Yeah. I never enter. I know they jump. Go wait.
Listen, I'm no longer happy about all these flimsy excuses. I told you I have an urgent need of that money.
Baby, come on now. I already told you. I've told my husband, but he hasn't called yet. Calm down. You will get the money. I'm sure of that. You'll get it.
Listen, for how long should I wait for him to call? I told you that my mother is sick and needs urgent attention. So your husband is waiting for my mother to die.
Come on, baby. How can you say that? That's very harsh now. How can you say that?
Do you know what? I think I have to go out there to look for another woman to give me money.
Oh my God, you can't do that to me, okay? Because of money you know you will get. You will definitely get it. Now you want to go follow other women. You cannot do that. Oh wow.
Who is that?
My husband is calling me. Hello, baby. Good evening. I'm not fine. My day was bad.
Why?
I told you my mother is seriously sick and is in the hospital. Honey, it's so bad that the doctor is threatening to discontinue treatment on her because I don't have any money on me to foot her bills. Yes. You have to do something now. You have to do something now. People are beginning to mock me already. They're even saying, oh, she's married to an abroad man and yet she can't pay for her mother's treatment. It's somehow now. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. It's my mother we're talking about here. She's lying there. I don't know. The doctor just walked in now, baby. He's here.
Give him the phone.
I should give him the phone. Okay. Doctor, my husband wants to talk to you, please.
Good day, sir. Yeah, sorry. Well, I think we have to stop the treatment immediately. This is not a charity organization. Thank you, sir.
Hello, baby. You heard what the doctor said, right?
How much is the hospital bill?
It's just 400 and then 470,000 naira.
Don't worry. You will get it immediately.
Oh my God. You will send it to me. Oh, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're the best. You're the best. God bless you. Oh, just got an alert. Oh, wow. I sent the money.
Wow, smart.
There you go.
Wow. That was smart.
You're happy now, right?
Wow.
Leave me alone.
No, come here.
Leave me alone. You
what?
wanted to go and follow other girls because of money.
Relax. Let's go upstairs so I can recharge your body.
you doing sitting here all by yourself? You know we have somewhere important to go. I have told you before, you can go on your own. Must I go with you? I am not interested, please. Really sudden change of mind. I don't want to go. So, would you force me or tie my legs to the party? Kosi, why are you like this now? Why are you always doing this? Why are you such a killjoy? Hey, this party promises to be lit. It's going to be so much fun. Yes. You know your way to the party venue, right? So why can't you go without me? This girl. Kosi, you and I know that I need you as a cover-up to leave this house. You have to shield me out of this house for that party. It's not like I really need you to be with me at the party. So, you don't really need me. So why do you need me?
Kosi, I will be explaining too much to Papa if I have to go without you. Please, just make things easy for me. Please.
Do I have to beg you my blood all the time? Fine, I'll go with you. But I am not going to the party venue. I don't want to go to the party. Okay, so where are you going to be? I'll just look for somewhere and hang around and wait for you.
And why is that?
Why? What would you? Do you want me to escort you out of the house or you don't want me to go with you?
It's
you
fine.
Let's even reduce your volume. How could be hearing you?
It's fine. Please, can we just go now? Please.
See! See now. I'll beg you. Hey, let's go. Did you just hiss? No, wait. Did I just hear? Shh.
Please. Kosi, I promise. I didn't hiss. Please, I just said thank you. Alright? Thank you.
Shall we? Calm down, don't rush me, please.
Okay, please, let's go. Thank you, ma.
That is alright. I'm not living for you. I'm living for myself. It's my happiness, child. By what I see, appearance, lost behind. People judge you, child. By what I see, appearance, lost behind. Be a happiness to people because you don't know when the angels go come. Good deed they say, pays very well. One good time.
Where are you girls going to?
Ha! Papa, you tend to forget things easily these days. Oh. Remember I told you we have a night vigil to attend in church today. It's tonight.
Oh. My daughter, how will I remember? Eh? You see, old age is already doing when in my ear. Is she going with you?
Yes, Papa.
Eh? Lord of Jesus. Kosi, is it true?
Papa, what kind of question is this? No, tell me, what kind of question is this? First of all, you asked us where we're going to. Once you can see that we're tying our hair tie and wearing our long hands. It means we're going to the church. Now you're asking me, is it true that I'm going to the church? Don't you want me to go to church?
I want you to go.
I'm going to church.
I want you to go. I want you to go. Don't be angry, eh? I want you to go. Hey! Hey! In my lifetime, God, I thank you. Hey! Because my daughter, you are now going for night vigil.
Somebody's spirit come and spoil
church. Hey! Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus, for transforming the life of my child. Eh? Because he's going to church.
Papa, you're being so dramatic.
Why will I not be Kosi? Go. Of all places, church. And you say I should not do drama. But do you people have money for transport? Money?
Yes, Papa. We have money. Let's go. We can manage.
Of course, keep your money. I will give you. I will give you money not only for transport. I will give you money for offertory. Eh? And any other thing. Just keep your money. Hey! Take all of it.
You should take all of them.
All of it! God is wonderful. Hey!
Why are you looking at it before it goes?
It's fasting now. Papa, we'll pray for you.
Pray for me, oh. Pray. In fact, I need prayer from you, because God will hear your prayer more than any other person do. Eh? Because he's going to church. in my lifetime. Hey! What God cannot do does not exist.
Be a happiness to people because you don't know when the angels go come. Good deed they say pays very well. One good turn deserves another.
So why did you not go with them?
I didn't go with them because I have something else that I want to do.
Something more important than God? You would have gone to them to pray now.
Is it my forced to go with them to pray? Or you've not just been listening to me all this while? Are you going to tie me up and take me to the church?
Okay, if you say so, we are not quarreling. If you say you don't want to go, now let me go and drop you.
You don't need to drop me. I only said I have important things to attend to other than following them to where they're going to. Meanwhile, don't you think it's a better opportunity for me to even know your house? Where do you stay?
My house. Don't even go there because my house, you will not even like it. I live in one room and face me and face you. So it's not a place for people like you at all.
It doesn't matter now. Where you live, is it as small as a rat? Is it not? But it's a house.
It's almost like a rat too, because sometimes I used to see rats. They just pass in my house.
You're not serious.
No, I'm serious. So.
We too, we have rats. I know rats when I see rats. Let's go to your place. Take me to your place while they go to where they're going to. You don't want to take me to your place, no problem now. I don't know why you don't want to take me to your place. You can't be my friend. You don't want me to know where
I'm just saying.
Ladies, I want to welcome you all to this birthday party. While we wait for the arrival of some of our friends, let me introduce the chief celebrant, Miss Sonia! Wow. I'm so happy you guys honored my invitation. You know, we all came out to marry, so drink as you can, smoke as you can. Feel free to order whatever you want. I want to use this opportunity to thank my boyfriend, my Prince Charming, for organizing this party for me.
Come here, baby. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, my name is Prince. And I'm here to celebrate my baby, my love. And I'm turning this party into a money party. Okay? Wow. Yes. Drink. Merry. Enough drinks. You can party. In fact, music. Yay. Music.
Flirty master, I can feel it too. Baby, wine I'm good. The way you wine I'm getting the attention. Baby, wine I'm good. The way you wine I'm there make me crazy. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. Get a checker. Bacana me see wetin I go tell mama. Baby wine I'm good, baby wine I'm good, baby shake I'm good, baby wine I'm good, baby shake I'm good. I love the way you dey wine am, baby wine I'm good. I love the way you dey shake am. Keep it, gently, keep it, gently, keep it in it, gently. Baby, wine I'm good, the way you wine I'm getting the attention. Baby, wine I'm good, the way you wine I'm there make me crazy. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. on the mic. Yeah, so we do Faseko. Oh, yeah. Check it. Now who the checker? Baby, when I'm good, the way you when I'm getting your attention. Baby, when I'm good, the way you when I'm there make me crazy. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. You the checker. I'm a little back and let me see what I go tell mama. Baby, when I'm good, baby, when I'm good, baby, shake I'm good, baby, when I'm good, baby, shake I'm good. I love the way you dey wine am, baby, when I'm good. I love the way you dey shake am. Keep it, keep it, keep it, gently, keep it, keep it, keep it, gently, keep it, keep it, keep it, gently, keep it, keep it. Baby, when I'm good, the way when I'm getting your attention. Baby, when I'm good, the way when I'm there make me crazy. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. Party they hot, me and you not tonight. You the checker. I'm a little back and me see what I go tell mama. Baby, when I'm good, baby, when I'm good, baby, shake I'm good, baby, when I'm good, baby, shake I'm good. I love the way you dey wine am, baby, when I'm good. I love the way you dey shake am. Keep it, keep it, keep it, gently, keep it, keep it, keep it.
Amarita, you're welcome to my house. So, like, I cannot even believe when you called and said that you wanted to see me. Talk more of bringing your beautiful self to my house. It's unbelievable. So, what will I offer you now? I have good egusi soup. I purposely made it yesterday night. I have good palm wine. I bought this morning before going out. So if you want anything.
No, I don't want anything. Thank you.
No, don't say that too. Which one is your fine? You like the palm wine. I am the one telling you. Let me get it.
Okay, wait. I'll take the palm wine later. But before then, there's something I want you to do for me. And I want you to promise me that you're going to do it for me. And you're going to do whatever I demand from you.
Which one is down?
Promise me now.
If it's something that is not within my capacity, how will I not promise you? It's not what I will do that I'll tell you.
Promise first. It's within your capacity. You have promised me halfway before. Just finish the promise.
You're funny. Let it not be this kidney that I managed to tell me to give it to you. But me, I will not give you.
Kidney. No, it's not kidney.
It's not kidney.
It's not.
So what now?
I want you to help me with my mathematics.
Mathematics? This night? Oh. Okay.
You promised you were going to help me with it.
But it should be when is the right time now, because now first of all you eat something. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll teach you.
You don't need to eat it tomorrow morning. Why now? I came with everything. Let me show you. See, I came prepared.
You're not playing.
Yes, so I came prepared. Teach me.
Okay. So which part of mathematics that you're finding it hard to?
That's the one that has to do with statistics. Is when they do
statistics.
It's okay. 120. That's what my teacher told me.
Okay. Are you guys doing further maths in your school?
I know that one.
You know further maths?
Yes.
If you know further maths, you know statistics now.
Statistics is different from further maths. And the teacher that used to teach us further maths is new. Statistics is fat, broken everywhere. I cannot understand.
Chief.
Awesome.
My chief.
Child. If you go no, see, you see, like I said, my whole body is on fire for you tonight. As a matter of fact, I can't wait but to have you to myself tonight.
Chief, I am here for you. My body is all yours.
Wow. See, go me and no. Go me and I home need this more kind thing. How that go?
My chief.
Yes.
You don't waste time at all, do you?
Why will I?
See, let me tell you something.
Okay.
Chief. You know that I love you, right?
What? You know I always take you for your word.
You have to think about that.
I don't have to.
I
Just
love
pulling
you.
your leg. Just pulling your leg.
And you're the only man for me.
And well, I love you so much for that, you know.
Then you have to prove it.
Okay.
You have to prove it.
I will, and I'm always ready to.
That's why you have to give me that money. Let me go.
For the money.
Yes, now.
Ego is never the problem here. On him, as I'm saying. See, just play your part and leave the rest for me. In fact, I will give you more than you requested. Yes, that's me. Chief, go. Chief, Atakata about one.
Chief.
No.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to.
See, this one is the new design. They just came in yesterday. You can select from there. Yes, exactly.
Okay, this?
Yes.
How do you say it?
Beautiful, right?
Just select, okay?
Wow, I think I like this. This is, oh my god, this is beautiful. I like this. Yes. I like this.
Keep this for me. How about this way?
Yes, you can select.
Okay. Oh my god, I love this.
Oh. Sorry, I have to attend to my online customers, okay?
Alright, go ahead. I can help myself out. Okay, thank you. Oh, I love this one. Which one do you love? Okay, that's fine. I'm good with this 3. This is
Okay, and this. Oh, you. This is so fine,
Wow.
and this will be very, very beautiful on Jenny.
How did
My
you know?
baby girl.
She just loves everything blinking.
Yes. This will be fine for Jenny. Okay, so these are the ones you're taking, right?
Yes, I love this thing.
Okay, so you know what? I'm going to give you this one for 15k, this one for 15,000, so 30. Okay, this one 5,000. So 35. I'll give you everything for 35,000. My dear, you know things are expensive.
Yeah, you tell me, oh, my beautiful customer said, okay, you know what? Let me give you 25,000 naira.
Oh,
Just leave it at that.
Do you want to kill me?
No. Why would I do that? Just
25.
Okay, because of Jennifer, 25,000.
I know you get me there. You need to get me there because of Jennifer, because I love your daughter so much.
And she loves you too.
Okay, I'll give you because of Jennifer. But please, I'll not give you that next time.
Okay, next time I'm not going to pick this next time. I'm picking something else.
I
So
trust
still have
you,
to
baby
pick-
girl.
But as it is now, I know she will rock this.
She will
and
rock
she can't
it.
wait.
I even have a party tomorrow.
Really?
Yes.
So, you know what you will do first of all before you go to another section? Wait, let me make my transfer. Give me your account details.
Okay, let me send the account number to
Okay.
your phone. Have you sent it?
I just got it now. So, Zenith Bank.
Yes, exactly.
20.
Online. Ah. Please, my darling.
Okay, 25,000 naira. Check I have just.
Okay.
I Have you seen it?
Yes, my darling, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Well, greet my girl for me.
I will.
I know my Jenny will love this.
This Jennifer, are you sure you're not going to adopt this girl?
Jennifer,
you've
my
not given
baby.
me any gifts. It's ever since it's Jennifer.
Can you give me? It's not for okay. I'm sorry, it's for Jennifer. Be careful.
No, sorry.
My Jenny. Tell Jenny that tomorrow I'm coming to pick her up, if possible.
Definitely should be ready. By
Okay,
4.
but,
What's the time for the party?
4.
Should be ready.
Just kids party. My friend is just organizing some get together.
Please just go.
I'll see you again. Okay? Of
Maybe
course.
take care of
Please
yourself.
come back next time.
I'll come back.
I'll have new arrivals next week.
All right.
All right, baby. Hello, darling.
How are you doing and the kids?
We are fine. We are very, very fine. No, they are not with me. They are in school. Not at all. There is no problem. Only one problem. Baby, we are just missing you. I'm missing you.
I have missed you too.
So tell me, when are you coming back?
I have some delay with this business deal, and my business partners haven't been helpful. I am so sorry, but I'll be spending a few more weeks to sort things out.
Few more weeks? Ah, baby, now 2 weeks is too long.
I'm not sure I'll be back anytime soon. Please take care of yourself. I'll call you later and speak to the kids. Bye, my love. I miss you.
Okay, bye-bye. I love you. Mwah.
Rita, my love. I'll take you unaware. You know.
Maswell, see, let me tell you, I don't have time for any kind of play, eh? See, I'm not yet done with my house chores. Oh? So, Bulongi, outside, yeah?
Rita, my dear, you know, you don't have to be every time house chores, house this one, house wire. Eh? All work and no play message at the door, boy. Oh, you both. You should be having some fun now that everywhere you gotta go.
I've seen your plan. You want me to lose my job? It will not work for you. It will not work for you, Maswell. Oh yeah. Outside.
How will you lose your job now?
Behind you.
You don't know Maswell again. Even if you lose your job, I'll still give you another job. I'm capable. Big guy. Maswell in the
See, let me tell you, I don't have time for all this, Madam, she won't be happy if she comes back and notice that I have not finished what I'm supposed to do. So Maswell, outside, you know.
So let me surprise you. You know that I'm the landlord of this house now. And you're the madam of the house now. Huh?
Oh.
Why are you talking about the madam is not around? I'm the landlord of this house.
Yes.
I can do anything.
I know.
You gotta go? Huh? Come, say before madam comes back, make her show you something.
Don't show me anything, You don't have anything to show me. Me, I'm not even interested because I already know what you want. I know what you want. I'm a Mivecho and I'm not interested. I beg.
I know you're playing smart. I also know what you want to. But I know a woman. Come, let me surprise you small.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Leave me now. Come. Leave me.
Calm down. Are you saying this? This is the only language the Omo Yankee. Nah, no. What
let me see that.
Cool down, calm down. You have to follow me, Rita. I'm not gay. It will happen in room 306. Room 306. Follow me.
Master, wait now. Huh? You have started again. Let me see.
Oh, you man on the bad in the bus. Hey, Maro. Come. Let me. Come, let me once again. You gotta go. I'm in charge. Come, listen. Rita, follow me. Give me to my room first.
Master, wait now. Huh?
Come
wait
to
now.
room 306. Come back here, one.
That's it. You have started though.
Come back here,
You
one.
have started though. Master, wait now. You need to give me that money.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Life without enjoyment is meaningless.
You can say that again. Baby girl, tell me what's up. Where is your little boyfriend?
Oh, you mean my baby boo? My sugar banana. You know, he just left here not quite long ago.
So upon my warning, Chika, I advised you. So does it mean my advice is useless? Really? So you still bring this boy to your matrimonial home? Chika, are you kidding me? What are you doing? So you're not thinking about what people will say?
Listen, girl, do not preach to me, please. I do not want that because Chika that you're seeing here does not care about what anyone thinks or is going to say about me. It's my life, yeah. The reason I'm looking this pretty is because of this boy. And I intend to keep him as long as possible in my life. Yeah. He has literally swept me off my feet. And I'm not ashamed to admit it, girls.
Chika, if you continue like this, your relationship with this guy might cause you problems you will regret.
Mary is right. If you continue like this, if you keep bringing this boy to your home, you will not like the outcome. Your husband may have informants that you're not aware of.
Oh my God.
Stop it.
You think I care? Like I seriously care about any stupid informant that is hiding anywhere? No way. No way. Listen, girl. Are you trying to tell me that over there abroad that my husband does not have some side chicks he catches fun with? Is that what you're saying? Girls, listen, men are polygamous in nature. We all know that. If you want to keep being the good wives, I'm not trying to poison your mind. You can go ahead and be the good wives to your husbands. But as for me, I will keep on catching my phone.
Chika, you're right. But
do not bot me anything, alright? Our men are over there abroad. You don't know what they are doing with their lives there. You can't tell. Yes, listen to me. The best is to let them make the money, send it down here to us. We can use it and find someone there, any of those small boys that can make you happy. Yeah, that can satisfy your emotional desires. Very important. Because me, Chika, I can't come and kill myself. I need to be living, not existing. You don't understand, right? That's my opinion though. I know you might not like it, but it's not meant for you people to like it. It's just a mere suggestion.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. I can see that you invited me to your home to tell me rubbish. I can see both of you don't have anything reasonable to say. So,
I'll be leaving. Baby girl, you should think about what I just said.
I am not thinking about anything.
Mary, you have to talk to your friend. You know she doesn't listen. I'm not trying to poison your mind, girlfriend. It's what will help your life. It's what will help your emotional desires.
You want
to
enjoy life.
Okay, let me go. Me, I can't come and kill myself, girl. I cannot.
You want to flex yourself. You say body no be firewood. You say you never down your moment. You must enjoy life. You go enjoy yourself.
You know they tired. You're still there everything. You know they rest. Maths exercise. Please, let me ask you, when did this your sudden love for maths? Where did it come from? Because I know that maths used to be your most dreaded subject.
Let's just say Ken is behind it.
Ken? If I may ask, which Ken are you talking about?
The Ken we both know.
Ken the keke driver. Ken. Hey, Chelu. What is the connection between Ken and mathematics?
Well, since you're asking me and since you want to know, Ken is not just humble, he's intelligent, brilliant, and he's hardworking. Not just that, he is a graduate, an engineer.
Hey! Sure, you're alright. Are you sure? No, are you sure you're okay? You're not only stupid, but you're daft.
Excuse me.
Yes! Ken told you he's a graduate, an engineer, and you believe it. Oh, he told that story to you and you're so stupid enough to buy it. Explain to me, how on earth did an engineer fall all the way from engineering to becoming a keke driver? Please, I don't understand it. I don't get it. Explain to me.
What is your problem? No, Oluchi, why are you so persistently annoying? Tell me. You and I know that the level of unemployment in this country is alarming. For the fact that he's an engineer doesn't mean that he cannot do any menial job just because he's not getting a good job. Good. He has a bright future. Some other opportunity or better opportunity is going to come someday.
And of all the jobs in this world to do as an engineer who is facing unemployment challenges is to become a keke driver. Aren't you stupid? Just hear yourself talk. You're talking like you're a fool. But you went to school now.
You are distracting me.
His future is bright. How can his future ever be brighter than what he already has? Hey, Chinekeme, who is this? Hey!
Oh, Ken.
Hey! Chinekeme, doesn't... Hey, help him! Are you not going to help him?
Stop it now! What is your problem?
Hey, accident! Chai!
Hello, girls. Sorry, it's transmission.
Wait. Jelu, what are you doing here? What are you doing? How did you miss your way into this compound?
Can you stop it?
Stop what?
Stop it!
Leave me alone!
Why are you embarrassing him like this? Stop it!
No, it's your purse that you forgot inside my taxi. I said to bring it back.
I said to bring it back. I forgot in my purse. I forgot it inside your taxi. Your taxi? Is that a taxi? You are in fact, you're a clown. You're calling it a keke taxi. Shut up there! Is that a taxi? A big clown! You call it a keke taxi? Give it to me, it's my own. Give it to me. Nonsense. Hello, girls. Who is your girls? Get out of this compound!
I do not like this.
I just want to bring back. It's not in my...
Have you thought of what Papa would do to you if you catch this man in this
compound? It is my purse and let me carry it.
Which is nonsense, bro? Get it from here! Nonsense! Look at it, what are you even wearing?
You did not do anything.
But I said to bring it. Why is talking to me like that?
No, you did not do anything.
I do.
What kind of dressing is this? Imbalance.
Just go.
It's okay. No.
Look here, you know it's me you came to see. You know it's me that you came to see.
Hey, you need help, oh!
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Go and help him.
What's your problem?
The keke needs...
He does not need any help from you.
Hey!
What's your problem now? This thing that is not good at all. What am I doing? Are you proud of him?
What kind of confused outfit is that? Ankara Palazzo, Timberland, Big Polo and Papa Scarf.
Is it your business?
Are you proud of that product?
I am proud of it.
Walking like a cookie on top of it.
Remember one day your
Mom!
Yes, my babies.
We have been looking for you everywhere.
Sweetheart, mommy is very fine. Mommy is okay? It's just that mommy was meditating. Yes. Okay.
Mommy, when did you say Daddy was coming back? Yes, Mom. You're missing him already.
Daddy is going to come back soon. Very soon, I promise.
Then let's call him and talk to him. Yes, Mom. Let's call him and talk with him, so we'll be sure he's going to come back soon.
Okay, my love. In that case, I'll call Daddy, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Go get my phone.
Okay, go. No, I will go get it first.
Easy, guys, easy.
You appear blameless, but now you see in the past. Black sheep on a broad daylight, dangerous out of sight. Never did it come back, Papa. It is sweet to know, it could pay you later. It is sweet to know, it could pay you later. It is sweet to know, it could pay you later. It is sweet to know, it could pay you later.
Patricia!
What? Wow! Oh my goodness!
Look at you! What is it? Oh, give me! Come here!
Gee, like for real? Wow, look at you!
Man, look at you!
Look good.
You look extremely beautiful!
What are you doing in this town?
And you know what? Let me cut the chase, okay?
Okay.
I am new in this city.
Mm-hmm.
I came in to do business. Meanwhile,
Okay.
what is wrong with your car? I saw you opening the bonnet.
I don't know what is wrong with my car. I've been standing here. But not to worry, I've called my mechanic already.
There's no point to calling your mechanic. You know what? Go open your bonnet. I know one or two about engines. Trust me, let me check it out.
Don't spoil my car.
Come on, go.
Okay.
Patricia.
Yes, baby. Wow.
Come on, baby. Open the bonnet, please.
Why you not change?
I can't change, you know.
Come here.
Come on. That's it.
After how many years?
Hold it, please. Hold it.
Okay. Be careful. Val, don't spoil my car.
No, spoil
Can you imagine?
You overspeed, that's why.
How?
Just left it good. You know what? Go start the car, let me see. Just
start?
Go start, yeah, push. Yeah.
Okay.
Soft work, okay?
Okay.
Just one touch.
Yeah!
Off it again, off it.
Okay.
Start it again. Start it again.
I should start it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow!
You can off the car now.
Thank you so much. Like for
You can
real.
off the car now. Wow!
Why didn't you tell me you're a mechanic though?
It's really bad if I allow you to call a mechanic when I got some knowledge about it.
Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, tell me, how is the family?
Oh, my family is wonderful. We are very, very fine. So, how's your own family? Tell me, how's your wife, kids? Tell me.
Well, the truth is, that's a topic for another day.
Oh,
okay?
really?
But meanwhile, let me have your contact.
Contact, don't worry, I'll give you my card.
Oh, really?
I don't do contact. I'll give you card.
Oh, that's good. That's nice. Wow, look at you.
Valentina.
Patricia. CEO. Wow.
CEO.
And you know what? I'll call you.
Okay, darling.
Let's do lunch. Explicit lunch.
Lunch?
Yes.
Wow. Married.
It doesn't matter. You know what? Let me give you a treat of a lifetime.
Treat?
Trust me.
Why? I have 2 kids, so.
Patricia, you're still my baby. It doesn't matter. Alright, you know what? I got to run around.
Alright,
So,
thank you.
say me hi to the kids.
Thank you so much.
You're
You really
welcome.
saved me today.
you.
Thank you. Alright, bye bye.
Oh, God, be cool. Alright, I'll catch you back there.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye. Patricia, look at you.
Feels nothing. Go away.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. Nabia mawagamo, ifendo waneme, mere niru. May God help us in this world, makiti ya bingini fuwa. Nabika mawagio.
Please, I want to go out. I'll be back in a jiffy. In case if Papa comes back.
Please, Kosi, help me get a plate of rice. Let me eat and continue washing. I'm so hungry.
There's no rice remaining in the pot anymore. The little one there is Papa's portion. What don't you understand?
That there's no rice left in the pot for me.
That's what I said.
I was in the kitchen. I saw the portion you cooked. You cooked for the entire house. So I don't understand the part of the one remaining for Papa. Am I not a member of the family anymore?
Auntie, let's just say my appetite increased. So I ate a whole lot of rice. That's why.
Your appetite increased. And then you ate my own. You ate your own, I ate my own. I don't get it. Kosi, I don't understand what you're saying. How can you eat your portion and eat my portion at the same time?
Wait, what are we doing? No, wait. What's this conversation all about? Am I your slave? Eh? Am I your maid?
But I'm here washing for the whole house. I'm washing for us.
Did anybody beg you to wash for the whole house? It's because you're jobless. The only thing you know how to do with your time is fasting and praying. So today you have to do something. Please, if you do not mind, I am rushing off to somewhere.
Please, excuse me, Chelu, let me ask you a question. Can you tell me where you're so much in a hurry to go to? Because I'm curious. Where are you going?
Well, since you want to know everything, I am going out to see Ken. Do you have a problem with that?
Ken again? Hey, Kosi, is there anything you're not telling me? Is there anything? No, sister to sister. You can confide in me. Feel free. Is there anything you think I need to know about you and this your Ken that you have not said? What is going on?
Hey! Jesus, please, I want to go and collect the textbook he bought for me. That's all. When you're tired of washing the clothes, please go and prepare not to or something like it. You argue too much.
Kosi, I hope that is just the truth. I hope it's just textbook you're going to collect. And you better come back before Papa comes back. Don't come out for you. She ate her own, I ate my own. I don't understand. I don't blame you.
longer will keep us in this house. And this girl have not even started cooking. I've not even seen her sign out. Don't even see her anywhere. Rita! Rita! What's this girl now? I've not seen the... Rita! 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 This one you're lying down here. You're here lying down and there's no food in the house and I've been hungry, looking for you everywhere. What's the problem?
I'm sorry. I'm not feeling fine.
What's wrong with you?
I'm having a headache and it seems as if I want to vomit.
Seems as if you want to vomit. Vomiting is a symptom of malaria and fever. I know all those days when we are small, when we are vomiting, they will give us malaria medicine and it will go. Let me rush to the road and get malaria medicine.
Don't worry. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
Yes. If by tomorrow the symptoms persist, I'll go to the hospital. Don't worry yourself.
Okay, why don't you go inside and relax? Let me take you inside. You don't need to be sleeping here. Let me take you inside so that you can relax. Huh?
Don't worry. What is the time?
Then,
don't forget to go and pick the kids from school.
Madam called me, said that I should not bother going to pick the kid, that she will go and pick them. So, I'm not bothering again. Let's go now, let's go inside, okay?
No. My problem now is the madam. I don't know how she will feel if she returns and find out I'm not prepared dinner.
Madam. Madam should know that Bode no be firewood now. All this while you have been walking everywhere. I told you have to take this easy. Walk here. Madam should understand. Madam is supposed to understand. Are you not a human being? So you're lying down. Come, let me take you inside. Come.
You want to enjoy life. You want to flex yourself. You say body no be firewood.
I'm sorry, I'm kept you waiting. I was doing pretty things in the house.
No problem.
Thank you. What's this?
The textbook.
Hey, the textbooks!
So make sure you read it very well, okay. It will help prepare you for your forthcoming exam. Hey. Especially this one.
This one?
Yes, read it.
Understanding business finance.
Finance.
It's time for me to pack money.
So anything you don't understand, just tell me. Jot it down. If you see me, tell me, I will explain.
Yeah, thank you so much. What would I have done without you?
It's okay, don't mention.
Thank you.
Hey. Okay, now make I...
Wait. I got you food. I eat that also, so I got it.
Food? You know how to cook?
Stop insulting me. I pray you like it. See, I put plenty meat for you.
And it gets good aroma.
I put ginger, I put garlic, nutmeg, everything.
Thank you. This is... very, very delicious, yo.
I told you now. I knew you like it.
Make I calm down. Eat. This food, they don't rush them. They don't rush this food. You're a very, very good cook.
Thank you.
We dey cook die. The leaf, cut am well.
Yes.
Onion, cut am everything.
Let me give you water. And you know you're not supposed to be talking when you're eating.
I sent talking papa message.
I will not have you disgrace me. No, you will not bring shame to this family. Instead of you to bring shame to this family, I will return you to the village before you disgrace me.
Papa, what is it again?
Is it not your sister? Your useless sister have decided to make herself useless with that keke boy.
Papa, please. You can call me whatever you want to call me. But stop embarrassing me publicly. I do not like it. I'm not a small kid anymore. I'm a big girl, for goodness sake.
Will you shut up?
Papa, what happened?
Shut up your mouth before I shut that dirty thing for you.
What happened, Papa? What happened? Why are you angry?
You're asking me what happened?
Yes.
So you don't even know what happens in this house?
Papa, because I always pray and I go for vigil. That's all I do with my time.
Stop praying! You are in charge of the kitchen. You don't know what is happening. Look at it. Because he cooked all the rice. Every piece of rice in this house, she cooked it and carried it to that keke boy.
Hey! Pussy!
Okay.
Oh, so this is what you do? You left this house with the entire food and left me in hunger. Okay, you're wicked.
I told you say your mother Mary, you're fasting. You don't let me fasting in.
Hey!
People that fast, do they eat? Avoid me.
Hey! Papa! Did you know that recently I've observed that our food stuff just keeps going down and disappearing from the store?
Yeah.
So this is what you do. It is obvious. It is obvious you've been caught.
See, better respect yourself. A hungry man is an angry man. I am angry when a woman, I'm hungry. Avoid me.
And then she will come to me. Food monger. She will come. Papa, we don't have a rice. Papa, bring money. We don't have tomato. Papa, we don't have oil. Papa, we don't. Meanwhile, she's cooking all the food and giving to a vagabond outside. You are cooking my food and giving to a vagabond.
Disappointed. That's the only English you know. You're disappointed.
Go.
Papa.
Kosi. How many times did I call you?
Twice, Papa. You called me twice.
Twice I called you, Kosi. For this crime that you have committed, you will not eat in this house for 1 week.
Bam! Judgment.
Hey! Papa, 1 week. Papa, just bury me. No, you're going to bury me. You're going to kill me, Papa. Because you know I cannot stay a minute without eating. I have to be munching. My mouth have to be moving. I have to eat. I'm a foodie. How am I supposed to stay 1 week without eating? I will die now. I go type my toes in him. Just bury me and you stop seeing me in this house. Bury me, oh.
I will bury you. Go and eat all that food that you have been packing out of the house. You hear me?
Papa, you are eating the food now. You are eating the food. You stop me. Papa, I will die, yo. I will die. How am I going to stay without eating food?
You have to change your ways, Kosi. This is not good.
You not respect yourself and me.
Respect myself. I'm just giving you advice. So change your ways and be like me.
Me? Be like you? God forbid.
See, Kosi, go for prayers. Go for vigils. Fast and pray. As a Christian, that is all I do with my time.
You go for vigil.
You carry food from your house and go and give to a man.
Hey.
Kosi, change.
I better go inside
and
do your fasting.
Yeah, so let me do the fasting and prayer that works for me. Oh.
Continue doing the
and
fasting.
go for my vigils.
With all the fasting you're doing, your height never increase.
Look at you. Stop for no.
Nonsense. Only 1 cup of rice people want to kill me in this house. If I now put prawns or chicken or snail, you people will cut off my head. Ha! Papa, we eat food.
No. Tell me. What are you trying to explain? What are you trying to explain? No. You don't have anything to tell me now. I saw everything there. I saw how it happened. Prince, who is that woman to you? I demand an explanation right now.
Listen, babe. I'll explain, okay? I will give you all the explanation you need.
Explain.
Listen. That lady you saw is just my friend. We have nothing serious together.
Excuse you? Excuse you? You have nothing serious with her. And she puts up that shameful act there. I saw everything.
Slow down, okay, babe? Please. Okay. The lady you saw is married.
Okay.
She's a married woman. Alright? I'm only playing games with her. Yes. As a matter of fact, she foots all my bills. She pays all my rent. She gave me all the money I spent on you.
What?
Yes.
Are you serious?
All the money I spent on your birthday, she gave me everything. Listen, babe, I can't joke with you. You're the one I love.
But you should have told me ever since. Instead of you letting me to find out myself.
Hey, if I tell you, I don't know how you will feel. Okay? Alright, okay. It's fine. Now that you have found out, game over. Alright, please.
Cheats.
Please.
Cheats too much. You can't just keep your thing in one place. And it's not good. It's not good.
Hey, you have to be...
Leave me alone.
It's okay.
Stop it now, eh?
Hey, it's okay. Please.
Stop touching me.
It's fine.
I beg you.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on. I got you. It's okay.
Please stop crying. It's not the end of the world for you.
No, Mary, you never understand it. You never. Like, I received the greatest shock of my life today. I mean, the worst embarrassment ever from Prince and that useless thing that calls herself his girlfriend. Can you imagine?
What has happened has happened. You just have to move on with your life. Besides, that prince does not worth your tears.
No, Mary, you would understand. I've spent so much on that useless boy. Like, that boy he don't chop my money too much. What have I not done for him? I do literally everything he asks for. Like, I go out of my way to put a smile on his face every single day. I do not deserve to be treated the way he treated me today. I don't deserve it.
Well, you are a married woman. You should have been dating this boy with your head rather than your heart.
And so? So married woman cannot fall in love again, and so?
It's okay.
Prince, wherever you are, God knows that I genuinely gave you my heart.
It's okay.
With a pure intention, and you decided to treat me this way. Prince, God must punish you. You can't go and punish him. With all my money that you've eaten, my money will fight you.
Now.
No, my money will fight that boy. He has to pay me back my money.
Okay.
No,
okay.
He has gotten a girlfriend. Okay, no problem. He will pay me back my money.
Kosi, I insist. No matter what, you were not supposed to take food to Ken. You were not supposed to do that.
Why are you sounding like this? It is just food. Food. Just one cup of rice. Cooked food I just managed to give someone. Everybody wants to cut off my head. But moreover, the textbook he bought for me, don't you think it's more expensive than even the food we're talking about here?
But you didn't ask him to buy you textbooks. Did you? He bought you those books out of his own will. His good will. And that's how he should be. He should be the one giving you gifts and not the other way around. You just acted stupidly.
Enough! Don't you dare. No, what? Tell me, what's bringing this? Why are you insulting me? Who is acting stupidly? Have you lost your sense of timing? I am not stupid. And I know you. If you were in my shoes, you would have even done worse.
Me?
Stop acting as if I do not know you.
God forbid.
Well, there is nothing there for God to forbid. Please. What's all this holy and thou attitude for?
Because you don't know me.
Oh, I see.
You do not know anything about me.
Really?
You don't know me.
Then let's go and meet Papa. No, I think we should meet Papa and then expose ourselves to him. Then we'll rather know who is the black sheep and the white sheep here. Right? No, you are the good one. I'm the bad one, right? Rubbish.
Kosi, you don't know anything about me.
And I don't even want to know.
You clearly do not even know me. Wait. Am I in any way smelling threats in that your tone?
Oh, please, you can
Are you threatening me?
I don't even care what you call it. No, you tell me, as a good sister, What you would have done out there was to pacify Papa, but no. You were busy pouring fuel, adding more fire to the injury. You are the white sheep of the black sheep, Abi? No, very soon we'll soon switch complexions. Yes! But that begin. Please, me, I'm hungry. Oh. I need food.
It's okay. It's okay, Kosi. It's fine. Okay? I'm the big sister. I'm the better person. I know. So, I'm going to talk to Papa on your behalf.
Who asked you? Who asked for your help? Loyibama. Did I beg you to talk to Papa for me? Don't I have mouth to talk? Oh, is your mouth bigger than my own now? Don't mind your business. You fasting that is fasting you. Please, I need food. I'm hungry. If I eat human being in this house.
Okay, baby, see, listen. Mommy is not in a good mood, so please, just go upstairs, okay? I'll call you later.
Mommy.
Yes, darling.
What's wrong? Who looked for your trouble? Tell me so I'll punch the person.
I trust you, my hero. Just go upstairs, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
I want to discuss something with Auntie Lisa.
We love you, Mommy.
I love you too, my loves. Oh, go.
Okay. I'm going to beat you. No, you won't. That means I'm going to cheat.
Rita! Rita!
Rita, you heard what the doctor said. He confirmed you pregnant.
I am sorry, madam. It wasn't my intention to get pregnant.
Of course. It wasn't your intention to get pregnant. Fine. It wasn't your intention to get pregnant. It's okay. Rita, the only thing that is going to save you is to tell me who is responsible. Who?
Madam, it's Maswell. He's the one. He has been giving me small money, and he even promised to marry me. I don't know what will happen now that I'm pregnant.
Go and call me Maswell. Okay, don't worry. I'll do that myself. Maswell! Here!
Yes, ma'am.
Maswell, are you aware that Rita is pregnant for you? Okay. I don't care. But my question is, what are you going to do now that she is pregnant for you? What?
Madam, I don't know. Rita, have you seen what you've done now? It's all your fault. Have you seen what you have implicated me now?
Mind yourself, oh, eh? How is it my fault? Is it not you? Is it not you? I'll just be on my own, oh. I'll just be on my own. You'll be disturbing me, eh?
I'll be disturbing you.
Yes.
You don't know that you're a small body, big engine. Eh? All the hormone I'll be giving you, where did you keep them? Can't you take, are you a baby? If I've used all those ones to take care of yourself, all this problem will not come out.
Wait, just wait. You've been giving Rita money.
Ask her now. Is she not here?
Let me tell you the truth. The truth here is that Maswell has been giving me plenty money.
Maswell, where have you been getting the money you're giving to Rita? The plenty money. Where?
Madam, just that when I used to go and clean your room, I used to see money misroad. I have to keep it. I'll be keeping it for you.
You what? Maswell, so you've been stealing from me? You've been... Before I open my eyes and close it again, I want both of you go in there, pack your racks and leave my house immediately! Hey! Leave my house immediately!
Please, madam.
That's why you've been stealing from me. Rita, you're pregnant. Everything in my house. Rita, pregnant. Maswell stealing from me. In my house. What? I said you should leave. Right now. Leave.
Is it not your fault?
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. What are you doing? Leave my house. Get out. Get out. Maswell? Stealing from me, Rita pregnant. In my house! Just leave! Go!
People judge you, by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge you, by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands.
Okay, I don't even want to do it.
Oh, see. Are you still like this? Why are you still brooding over this? Come on, let it go now.
Oluchi. So Papa locked up the kitchen door because of me. No, wait. Papa locked up the door because of me. No, I am no longer a member of the family. I'm not the black sheep. I used to go complexions, okay? That's why she had to lock the kitchen door.
Kosi, please just calm down. Okay, just calm down.
I'm calm. Am I not calm?
You're not.
I am. I am.
Okay, I have been trying to talk to Papa on your behalf. Okay, he just doesn't want to forgive you for now.
And that is why he brought out your own lunch before locking up the kitchen. Because you are the good child in the family, right?
Kosi, okay, let's do it this way, okay? I'm ready to share my food with you. Let's go and eat.
Don't eat your food. As a matter of fact, I am not going to eat any food in this house. I don't want.
Kosi, you have not eaten today, oh. Okay, there's no point forming.
Okay. I do not want to eat.
Why?
Please, I'm going out.
Kosi,
I need to go and look for something to eat.
You have not eaten today. Come and share.
understand.
You're my sister. I can share with you.
Is it my fault to eat your food with you? Let me go and source for food so I can eat since my family have now rejected me.
Kosi, where are you going to get the money to buy this food? Because I know you don't have anything on you.
Since when did you start caring? Since when did you start caring? Watch me. I will get money now.
So, Kosi, money is on the street. You just go and pick money to buy food, okay?
You will know why I am going to see. You are your father.
She just doesn't understand me most times. Kosi! Okay, wait, let me go and pick money from the street with you.
One good time deserves another. People judge by what they see.
Talk to me now. What is it? Huh? Did your father beat you?
It's not better that he even beat me self. This one is more than beating on me. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I've not eaten since yesterday.
Why?
My father locked the kitchen and denied me access to where food is because of you.
You've not eaten since yesterday. Hi! Because of me. Do you know that my mind has been telling me this thing since that day? My mind has been disturbing me. But I didn't know how to come to your house to look for you now because of your father. Eh? So because of me, you've not eaten since yesterday. All because of me. Okay. Let me quickly rush and buy something for you to eat. Yeah? But meanwhile, there is bread and tea here. So you can drink tea before I come back. I'll rush.
No. I will drink the tea and the bread, but don't buy me Mama Puto. Use the money and buy food stuff so that we'll cook and I'll keep food for you too. What's your favorite food?
Yeah. My favorite food is fufu. Fufu and very good onubo and egusi soup. Then mangala. Mangala the sharp. You use it and...
Okay, I'll cook it for you. Give me pen and paper. Let me write the items you're going to buy from the market while I'll be taking the tea and bread. You come back fast, you know I'm hungry.
You cook?
I'll cook it.
I'll
cook it. Give me pen and paper. Let me write out the things you have to buy. Egusi, meats. You said you like mangala, fufu, pepper, crayfish.
Yes, sir.
My friend, that was how it happened. So I told him to give me space. I need to teach. Sonia, sometimes I find it difficult to understand you. How? What are you thinking about? Listen, Prince has proven beyond reasonable doubt that he loves you. Even if he's having anything with that woman, it's for your own good. Wait, are you supporting him? Why wouldn't I? He takes care of you. He provides everything you need as a woman. Wait, have you ever asked yourself where he's getting all this money from? He opened a big shop for you. In a less store. And you've not asked yourself that question. It's from that woman. So what are you now insinuating? My sister, I suggest you shouldn't be harsh on him. You don't have to bother where he's getting all this money from. Your major concern should be, is he spending that money on you? That should be your major concern. Esther, thank you. You see the reason why I like discussing things with you. Because you're going to advise me. Thank you, my friend. You're welcome. What are friends for? You know I will always tell you the truth. Sonia. See, I know Prince is not the only man you are saying. Shh! Every time. It's supposed to be between the both of us. I don't want any other person to know about this. No problem. Nobody will hear. See, I suggest you look for a way and get Prince back. Before you push him to another lady, my sister. Men do call scarcity of men. No, yeah, I know. We are everywhere, girls looking for who to marry. Men do call scarcity of men. No, they will just grab him. Better look for him. You have a point. I think I have to call him now. Call him. You have to. Fast about it. Okay. What is it? It's not picking. It's ringing. See what happens. If you go near me, are you sure it's not? Are you sure it's not with them again? It's not with his phone. Oh yeah, keep calling. Call him, bro. Keep calling. Ringing, no picking. Hey! I don't know, maybe you. I can't go pay. Keep calling him so you will not lose him. Call him, text him, bombard him with 20 missed calls. Text him, hey, call him. Call. Hey!
The aroma alone is something to write home about. If you tell me, I will not believe that someone like you will know how to cook. It's not possible. I will never believe. You don't want to join me. What's your own now?
No. You like it?
Like, I love this food. You're a good cook.
Thank you.
Are you sure you will not combine accountant with restaurant?
Both of them?
Yes.
Anywhere money is coming out.
I'm happy you like it. I made this soup specially for you. There's meat too. It's plenty meat for you. Don't bite your... Hello.
Everything is visible.
Eh? Sorry.
Again. Okay, boss is done me.
No, I'll eat later. It's not football, it's food.
Deji now. No. It's been long I ate good food. You don't understand.
Eh?
You don't understand. This one is complete package. Vegetable, oil, everything is on point. On point. Meat done the way it's supposed done.
Thank you. Ouch. I'm happy you like it too.
I love it.
May God help us in this one, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world. Makiti ya bigini fuwa. Labiga bawagyo, Papa. Labie kalapuni, hey, namo. Labie kalapuni. Imankiji bulumadu. Izuwaike, allow God to do the rest. He knows every man, but in and out he no go. He knows who is righteous, he knows who that is holy. God knows all the ways of man. Stop pressuring yourself. You go kill yourself.
My love, I was thinking you aren't going to come.
Did you just call me your love?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for reacting that way. I have forgiven you.
Oh. Sounds interesting. Are you serious of what you're saying?
Yes. I realized you did whatever you did with that lady for us. And you said your game with her is over.
Wow, you're right.
Babe, see, don't allow that lady to come in between us. Eh? You know, we've been in this relationship for a very long time, so I don't want to lose you to any other person.
Well, I've forgiven you. Is this you?
Yes, babe, I missed you. Oh, you didn't miss me. Why are you behaving like this? Come on, I miss you, okay? So let's go inside. Babe, come.
Sister, only to hurry up now, eh? We're taking too long. I'm coming. You wasted too much time. What was that now?
I have to put myself in order.
Yeah. Hey! My girl, hey, you sweet. Do you know, I always admire you in this Virgin Mary outfit. Get away from here. If you die, go and die. See, you know this is one thing I hate about visiting. I must dress this way. It's not proper now. You know,
calm down now, calm down. You know we have to act this thing. This thing has to, you know, Nana acting. And relax.
Wait, what? I was shouting. Is your father home?
No, he's not back.
What of that your stubborn sister?
I said I'm home alone.
You're home alone?
I bet feel free, Joe. Let's
Thank
go.
God. How far? But I'm angry. What? I should have brought my chewing gum if I knew you would be at home alone. I will bring her.
You know,
the
it's
chop,
too fear. Now the problem. Wait. I hope my clothes are well packed in that bag. You carry makeup. Everything is. You carry lipstick there. Like that. Mascara. There. Yeah. Let's go.
What is this nice book? This girl.
So we have to be in the spirit. Let's sing a song.
Did you notice my hair tie? Properly tied. Before we go to my dress. Before we go to everything. See me makeup on my face. The way they go church. So you actually go to my dress. See you now. You know this. I'm not supposed to get never long. Right? Jesus, my Savior. You know this. Let's
What? You're still around?
Yes, I
didn't know I was going to meet you here.
I was washing your dirty clothes.
You were washing my dirty clothes?
Yes, is anything wrong with it?
Chai, not that anything is wrong with it though. I'm only concerned that you cooked my favorite soup. And you've been doing so many things. Now you're washing my clothes. You need to rest, man. You need to rest.
At least I'm done now. What's about it?
There's nothing. Everything you've been doing for me in this house, and your love is not deserving.
There's nothing to beat about. If it's the food, you can call me anytime you need the rices, and I'll come back and cook for you.
If you want fruit, I bought some fruits I wanted to eat.
Okay, I'll take this one.
I have 3 already.
No, I'm okay with this. I'm okay.
Take this one, take it home, take this one.
Thank you. Hey, I saw this morning one of your trousers when I was washing.
What? One of my trousers?
Yes.
Do you know I've been looking for this money?
Hey.
This money is our meeting money. They gave it to me while we went for meeting. That our treasurer is very sick. Hey. So our chairman now said instead of him to carry the money home because he didn't have strength to go to the bank, that I should hold it for him. But since I came back, I didn't know where I dropped the money since then. I've ransacked this room everywhere looking for this same money.
Well, I found it for you. You have to be careful next time.
Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I have to start going before my father will.
So come, let me give you money for transport.
No, I don't want. I'm fine, I can take care of myself, just be good.
Wait, which one is you can take care of yourself? You don't you know it's transport that you pay me? Take this one. Take care of this one, let me want this one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, see you later.
Okay. Bye-bye.
People judge you by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge you by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge.
Make that one shall not happen. I don't want it to happen. Because if it does, goodness! I'll be dead! Come on, let's go. Hey, let's go.
Hi.
Hi, hello.
I'm afraid. Beautiful ladies like you shouldn't be walking under this Scottish sun. This is skin damaging. If you don't mind, hop into the car. I'll take you to wherever you're going at no cost.
Oh, well, that would really be nice, but don't bother yourself.
You call that but? Come on. It's not. I'm not complaining.
Please, we don't want to waste your time, okay? It's fine. Thanks for offering, but we're almost at our destination.
You heard her.
If you don't mind, alright? Come on, let's go.
Okay, alright. I still want to meet with you guys again. Let's share a table just for two. How about I get your number? Please.
Okay, 090.
No, not you. Hey,
Mine.
beautiful, if you don't mind, yours.
My friend.
My number.
Yes. You don't say it. Thank you.
What I do with my life, that is alright. I'm not living for you. I'm living for
Sure you don't mind?
No, it's fine.
Alright, thank you. Let me watch you guys go.
Like seriously, that's gonna make me shy.
No, just let me watch you guys go.
No, after you.
I can't help it.
It's alright, you can go. I'll see you around, okay?
Thank you.
By the way, you look great.
Thank you.
Bye. Sorry, what's your name again?
Frank.
Oh, Frank. Bye, Frank.
when the angels go come. Good people say, praise you very well. One good time.
Bye. Oh my God. Hey. What is it?
What's that you just did?
How do you mean?
Why did you give him your number? You shouldn't have done that.
Holy shit. Why did I give him my number? But you were the first who was so much in a hurry to give him your number, but he refused
That is not the point. The point is that I know guys like that. They just say sweet things to get in between your ties and that ends it.
Oh, really? Are we seriously having this conversation?
I'm only looking out for you, not like it's a big deal.
Thank you very much, Mom. I'm very fine at this moment. Okay? Come on, let's go, Joe.
Hey!
Chief.
Asamaro.
My chief. My money chief. Now I'm here.
Okay.
So how do you want it?
There's this style my friend told me he enjoyed with your friend last time. Do you know it?
And which style is that?
He said it's, can I remember again? I think he said it's a Spanish style. A Spanish style.
Spanish style?
Yes, do you know it?
Chief, you want Spanish style?
Exactly.
Hey, okay.
Exactly.
Of course I know it. I can even do it better than her.
That's why
Nobody can tell me otherwise. I know what I can do.
You see?
But let me tell you, Chief, it is not going to to cost you extra. It's Spanish style you want to, not Nigerian style.
You talk as if you don't
So
know
you're going
me.
to pay Spanish money.
Name your price.
I should name my price.
Name your price.
I should name my price.
I can't wait to get this awesome experience.
Come, let me tell you.
It's alright. That is nothing. It's nothing. You see, I can't wait to get this awesome experience. Just give it to me. I promise I will give you more than you expected.
Chief.
Yes.
Chief.
I will give you double of it.
My chief. Hey, my money chief. Chief, I am ready. Fully ready.
I can't wait. See, don't you see? I can't wait.
Chief.
I'm nervous.
Spanish style you want?
Exactly.
Spanish style you will get. Chief, make you not run,
And like I said, it's going to be
a double, like that, a very great surprise to you.
You talk too much, eh? Chief, let me take care of you. Chief! Hey, my chief! Chief, don't scream, oh! Don't run, oh!
Good day, the most beautiful woman in the city. Most elegant, astonishing, extremely gorgeous woman in the city. How are you doing, baby?
Don't start.
You now got your ways.
I'm fine, I'm okay, but I'm surprised to see you. How did you find my place?
Really?
Yes.
You have forgotten you gave me your card. And with the help of your card, I was able to locate this wonderful place.
Okay, yes, I remember. You're welcome to my small office.
You call it small? Oh, damn good, yeah. This place is massive. You know what?
What?
You've got business going on right here.
Oh, thank you. So, come on, what do you do for a living? You know, I've really missed you though.
You always got to do that. You know what? I'm into modeling. Yes. I run an advertising agent of my own. Yes. You know what? I can even run an advert for this, your company.
Yes.
Yes.
Like
you know
for
what?
real?
Tots and kids will go global. You know, people can come in here and pick the most favorite, the most beautiful kiddies wear. You know what I'm saying?
I need it.
You are going global with my help, and I will do
need
that
it.
for you because of our relationship in the past.
I need it.
You know we had a very good, wonderful relationship in the past. You know
Of
that?
course, you're
Yes.
right there.
So you know what, girl? With my help, Tots and kids, they are going global.
We are going global. Thank you. I really need it. I need it
you
so
do.
much. Please.
I'll do that for you.
So my bad.
What is it?
First time coming to my office, what do I offer you? My bad.
You know what? I'm the zone woman of ma. You don't need to offer me anything. For real.
Really?
I'm very comfortable where I am. Baby, seeing you alone brightens up my day. I'm good.
Listen to me. This is my office. I call the shots here. So tell me, what do I offer you? Come on.
Oh, you want to rumble me up a little bit?
Please.
All right.
Even if it's water.
Water will do for now.
Water, that's it. Come on, girls. Where is she?
So you finally came. I never knew you were going to honor my invitation.
Say whatever you want to say. I don't have time for your disturbance now. And your unnecessary calls and text messages. So, if you have anything to say, say it now.
Prince. No, you didn't say that to me, did you? Is it me you are actually talking to like that? Oh my gosh. This is quite shocking to me. I thought you had feelings for me. I thought we shared something together. In my head, I thought we had something going on. Like, oh my God, you are unbelievable. To the extent you stopped taking my calls. Prince, you stopped taking my calls.
It's all your fault.
How?
Chika, you're married. And you never allowed me to express my love for you in public. Yes, listen. How do you want my attention when you know I'm seated with my fiancé?
Wait a minute. Prince, you mean the lady I saw you with is your fiancée?
Oh yes.
And you never told me! How on earth am I supposed to know she is your fiancée? If you had said that to me, trust me, I would not try to come to talk to you there.
Chika, she's my fiancé. Or don't you want me to get married?
Trust me, I never knew she's your fiancée. I never knew. Well, I'm sorry. Please. I don't know if you can give me another chance to make it up to you, okay? I need to make up for the embarrassment I caused you the other time. I'm very sorry, please. Please.
Honestly, I don't think that would be possible for me.
Sweetheart, listen. You can't do this to me. You're going to break my heart if you refuse my apology. Please now. Listen, I'm just asking for a second chance to make things up. Okay, please. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to be...
Girls, I must confess that I'm really getting scared. Scared over what? I mean, if not for our upcoming examination, is there any other reason? Because that's the only thing that gives me sleepless nights right now. That exam. I need to sleep for nights. Because we barely had time to read and prepare for this exam. And boom, the exam is just in our faces. Waka waka was just too much for us, man. We too waka. Yeah.
I don't even know what to say because that's enough reason for us to be scared. I don't know about you people, but I'm really scared.
Oh, as for me, Esther, it's not a do or die affair. Yes, I will do my best and leave the rest for God. I know if I fail the exam, my parents will force me to resit for the exam. So, why am I bothering myself? No bother though. As for me, personally, this exam is a do or die affair. It's not like I have another choice or option. I must have to write and pass. Wait, after all these night vigils and prayers and everything and dressing decently, I will not fail exam. My father will personally, in fact, he will kill me. What about my sister? How do I even face her? How do I explain that I fail exam? My dear, it's a do or die affair. It is a do or die affair.
The truth is that this whole thing is beginning to give me panic attacks, and that is the reason it's a do or die. I don't know for you. I don't know for you people. To me, it is a do or die affair. What do you mean it's not a do or die affair?
There is no other way than to be focused and start preparing for the exam at the 11th hour. I mean, I know what to write.
What are you even talking about, Esther? As if this whole thing is easy. Okay, how do you want to prepare? Is it when we are doing chon from one place to the other?
How do you intend to prepare? I will receipt. Even if I receive the exam for 10 times, I will let me shift. She's not alright. Give me your exam.
Yeah, I can see you're doing pretty well.
Of course I am.
Alright, I got you this. An appetizer to stay off your day.
Wow, that's so thoughtful of you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, because this is actually suitable for this weather. The weather is very hot.
If I knew.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Well, I was a little bored today, so I thought it wise to come around to... Can you follow me out for lunch or dinner today?
Lunch?
Yeah.
Wow. That would have been lovely, but you know, there are some things that I do put into consideration because I'm married. I don't think it's wise to go out with you. I'm sorry.
Come on, you never stop amazing me. You still owed you.
It's true, I'm married now.
Sweetie, listen. The fact you're married, which I know you're married, okay? Doesn't stop you from going out, hanging out with old friends. Trust me, you enjoy this. Listen, it will give me an avenue to show you some of my models. You will love the experience. I know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Like old times, you know how it is.
Please, no, just stop. Thank you very much, but it's not something I can just say yes. Okay, fine. Let me think about it.
Oh, okay, that'll be fine. Please do.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Wow, you don't start again. So, hope you're getting familiar with the city.
Yeah, the city is pretty nice though. Calm.
Okay.
Meanwhile, how is business?
Business is good. I have to thank you for that, because ever since you did that online whatever, my dear, I've been with my phone, as in every day people has been messaging me. I need this, I need that, I need this. I hardly sleep. I
told you. You know what? That is just the genesis.
Really?
People just by what they see, appearance, you lost the heart. People judge you, by what they see, appearance, you lost the heart. People judge by what they see, appearance.
Why are you looking at me like that? Am I a ghost? Holly? What is it? Where are you going to this ceremony? Do you have to shout?
Don't tell me that. Where are you going to this ceremony? See, you're turning her hair like Mommy G or this early morning. Where are you going to?
See! Just calm down.
I'm calm. Talk to me.
See, listen. I don't want Papa to know that I'm going out to. This one that you're screaming.
Are you aware that our exams are around the corner? And you have not been studying?
See, let me tell you. I met one boy. He promised to spoil me, and I want to see him this morning. So please, just relax.
And you have to go and see him this morning. Knock.
Opa? Opa, good morning. Opa, good morning. What about you?
Oluchi, where are you going to this early morning?
Pa, evangelism. Pa, I'm going to the church.
Yes.
Pa, today is our evangelical revival mission.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to be going with her, but she will.
I'm representing her
and our family.
Papa, including you.
Yes.
Pa, this evangelical mission, revival mission, it is about door-to-door evangelism, selling God to the people that doesn't know God, so that they can know God. And it comes with spiritual blessings. Yes. Anybody that does that, you'll be blessed. That is God's instruction. It's in the word.
It's in the Bible.
I'm even reading it now.
Oh.
Yes, Papa.
Okay. Then hurry up now. So that we will all be blessed.
Come back, Elio. You know I cannot cook alone. No.
By what they see, appearance, you lost the heart. Be a happy face to people, because he don't know when the angels go come. Good deed they say, pays it very well. One good turn is house and mother. People judge.
Give mommy a hug. So, did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. We slept well and woke up like a giant.
I trust you.
I hope you did too.
Yes, Mommy did.
Mommy, when are you going to hire a new houseboy and cook? Yes, Mommy.
Okay. I can see you miss Maswell and Rita, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
They help us do our assignment. It's true. Now they are gone, you will have to help us to do our assignment. Yes, you will.
I understand. Listen, not like Mommy cannot help you do your assignment. But the truth is, Mommy has an important appointment. She can't afford to miss it. So I have to go, okay? Once I'm back, I will help you with the assignment, okay? Please.
Does that sound like a promise?
It's a promise.
Cross your heart.
Cross my heart, my sweet boy.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Mwah. Oh yeah, go back to whatever you're doing. Go back to your assignment, okay? You can do when Mommy gets back. Okay, Mom. I love you, my baby.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. No jumping off tables, no climbing off chairs. Promise.
Okay, Mom.
No going to the freezer. Promise. Alright.
Promise.
I'll beat you.
Bye. Good luck. Safe journey.
But now you wrote it down. But now you see, pass you appear,
Oh, baby girl!
The naughty one.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
As you can see,
I noticed the excitement in your voice when you called me to meet you up here. What's the magic?
It's because I've got some good news.
Good news? What's the news?
Guess what? I finally made up with my baby boy. I mean with my prince. And I can't wait to celebrate with you because you seem to be the only friend who understands me well. Yeah, I've come to take you to a cozy place. Let us just chill and have some fun. That's all.
Honestly, if I have known this is the reason of you calling me off my office, I wouldn't have come.
Wait a minute. Why are you acting like you're not happy for me? Come on, you're always too serious. You're supposed to be happy for your friend. Shut up, man.
Okay then, where are we heading to?
I'll let you choose.
Okay then, let's go.
Where?
Oh, let's figure it out on the way. Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
It is sweet to know. It got pay you later. It is sweet to know. It got pay you later. It is sweet to know. It got pay you later. It is sweet to know. It got pay you later.
Sweetheart, believe me when I said you are the best. I had fun.
I had an awesome experience with you.
Oh, you know, at a point I felt we can go on and never stopped.
Aww. Don't worry, there'll be better times.
Yeah.
And we're going to spend lots of time together to have fun.
Wow, you're beautiful.
Yeah? Oluchi. It is Oluchi now. Oluchi. But what? Eh? So this is how you are fondling a man in public like the sick cat. Is that how you are fondling? Oh, Oluchi, you have lied to me. You lied to me that you are going for evangelical metabolism, spread of word of God. Look at you in your nakedness, Oluchi. What are you pulling down? Are you pulling what cannot pull down?
Sweetheart,
eh?
Listen, is it your father?
Are you daft?
You are an idiot. Does she look like your daughter? No, is it your daughter? I will come back for you. As for you.
Hey, Papa, people now. Papa, wait.
And you, I have marked your house. I have marked this house. I have marked it. If you like, lock your gate. I know that my daughter, if anything happens to my daughter, I will come here. I already know. Continue.
People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge by what they see, appearance, nasty hands.
Holly, what's going on with you? Since you returned, you've been like this. What is it?
Pussy, now I don't gas.
Gas? Where? Which filling station?
Now, pussy. I've been busted. Me,
I'm not understanding all this your big drama. All this your grammar, as if you're just rapping. Just bring it down for me now. What is going on?
Pussy, Papa has spoiled everything. Papa has spoiled it. They don't catch me. Papa has ruined it.
Papa, how?
I'm telling you.
Meanwhile, where's the goodies you said?
See, you don't understand. Just calm down. Understand me now. Eh?
At the point my boyfriend was about to give me plenty of money, Papa just busted in from nowhere. I'm telling you.
Papa, I saw you today.
Yes!
What is she doing here? What are you doing here?
Eh? Papa, I've been warning her. I've been talking.
Will you get out? Listen,
Papa.
You have the guts to bring your leg to my
Papa, no,
Oluchi. So you have been pretending to me.
Papa, I have.
Oh, this is what you have been doing
I
outside,
haven't.
Oluchi.
Papa, just
Papa,
calm
Oluchi.
down now.
All your evangelical mission. This is what you have been doing. You are running. Oluchi. I'm a movie.
Papa, calm down.
Oluchi.
Papa, you are too hot for this. Oh. You are too hot for this.
I will kill you today. I will kill you. Look at where is that thing? Hair. Yes. This is what my daughter was wearing. This is what my daughter was wearing.
Papa, you will give her. Papa.
Appearance, not the house. People judge by what they see. Appearance, not the house. You want to enjoy life. You want to flex yourself. You say, body no.
I'm sorry. Wake up, mommy is back. Junior, wake up. Fancy. Wake. I said no climbing on table. Wake up, mommy is back. Mommy is back now. I'm sorry.
Mommy, why did you come back late today?
Mommy was in a meeting and it took a while, yes. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. I won't come back late again. I'm sorry, okay?
Mommy, we're hungry.
You're hungry?
We are.
Hey, what will you eat? What do you want to eat?
I want cereal for dinner.
Cereal?
Me too.
Okay, you want the same, okay, cereal you will get. Which of the cereals?
Oats.
Oats.
I would like oats too.
The same? You get oats, okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
Mommy.
Yes?
What about our homework? Mommy, would you help us do our assignments?
Assignments? You people should pity me now. It's very late. Mommy just go home. For the assignment tomorrow. The ones you find difficult, I'm going to help you do it. But it has to be tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, Mommy will do all the assignments. Deal?
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you. Okay, off to the kitchen. Come help me out so we'll make the cereal together. Okay? I'm sorry.
My neck.
I know, it's always your neck. Come on, let's go. As long as I'll press the neck, okay? I'll press it. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. I'll make a bowl of cereal for you.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I got you. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, guys. All right. So, I have taken you guys around my home, and I believe you understand the nature of your jobs. Any question?
Okay, madam, I've heard everything you've said and I don't have any question.
What about you, Pius? Is there any question?
Madam, there is no problem. Me, Pius, I think I'm ready for the job.
In that case, congratulations, you have the job.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
These are my kids, my lovely kids. This is Junior and this is Kamsi. Make sure that you give them the attention they deserve.
Okay, madam.
Clear?
Okay, madam.
Yes, madam.
Like I said earlier, my husband traveled, and once he's back, I'm going to introduce you to him, right?
Okay, madam.
My babies, we have new family, we have new people in the house. This is Tacy. Tacy is going to be our new cook and housekeeper. While this, he's Pius. Pius is going to be our new gateman and driver.
I like her. I like him.
You like him?
He's not my friend.
He's your friend?
Yes.
In that case, you're not going to have a problem. In that case, at least you forget Rita a little and Maso.
Yes.
That's good. Okay, in that case, no problem. You can go. If there is any other thing, I will let you know.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
madam.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can go. This way. You like them, right?
Yes, I like them.
Okay, so no more Rita, Maxwell, blah blah blah.
Yes.
These ones are equally nice. They're going to help you with your homework.
Yes, they will.
They will, right?
Yes.
And you said you like them, right?
We love them.
Case closed. Thank you for accepting them, okay? I love you, my babies. Oh,
I love you too.
Beg for mommy. Mwah, mwah. That's my babies.
People judge you by what they see, appearance, nasty hands. People judge you
It has been a stressful.
by what they see, appearance.
See, those new setup in the elevator, they are very wicked. They're too strict. If I had the authority, I would have chased them out of that exam hall.
Why?
Oh, now they're just strict.
But even if they were strict, if you read your books, I'm sure you would have taken
Of
something.
course, I read my books.
So why are you complaining?
I'm just saying, I mean, for those who didn't read.
Okay, for those who didn't
It's me that I'm going to. I'm not complaining. I'm going to drop my class.
But yes, they were strict. Oh Jesus!
Now you are doing me.
Yeah, they were like, I don't even know where. Especially the fake woman. You know,
I don't know.
with that has birth.
Oh my God.
Are you people back from the exam?
Yes, Papa. Papa, guess what? I have great news for you. I submitted my papers even before time. Like I was the first person to submit to the class, right? Papa, I did very well. If my result comes out, you will love it.
Why will you not be the first person to submit your answer sheet? Because you have nothing to write. Yes. Look, you think you can deceive me? I am your father. Do you think I don't know all those pretense you were making every time you hear my footstep? You grab one book and pretend as if you are reading. How can you have anything to write when you were busy jumping about, following all these keke boys everywhere? You say you are my daughter. Let me tell you, if there is any one of you here that I believe will do well in that exam, it is your sister Oluchi. She's always reading.
Papa, me, I'm hungry. I don't have time to be doing this argument.
Yeah?
What did you say?
How was the exams now?
Are you deaf? I asked you a question, or do you think you are still inside the exam hall? You know you have been reading too hard. That is the problem.
I'm joking.
What's up? My daughter is like that. She's always reading. Even when you are calling her, she won't know. She will be reading. Hey. 1 million.
I hate to pretend.
How one can pretend?
I don't trust her.
Hello, baby.
Hey, my love, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
I have good news for you.
Oh wow, you have good news for me. Let it out already. What are you still waiting for?
I want you to guess.
I should guess? Okay then. I guess that you're about to send me the money I requested for my car, right?
That is part of the good news. But you didn't get the guess correctly.
Oh wow. Honey, you know me. I don't know how to guess. I'm not just good with that. Just go ahead and let it out. Tell me.
I will be coming back to Nigeria.
Did you just say you'll be coming back to Nigeria? Oh wow. Oh wow. Why exactly? What happened? Why so soon?
My flight ticket is for next tomorrow. It will be my pleasure to see you. I love you, sweetheart.
I love you too, man. I'll be waiting for you. Nice. This is a good news. Nice. Yeah. I'll call you again when I get home, okay? Bye. Girl. Oh my god. No, girl, I'm in trouble.
What is it?
My husband just told me he will be in Nigeria in 2 days' time. Now he has already gotten his ticket and all that. Now, look at the problem. There are certain things I'm yet to arrange, like I'm yet to put in order. And if he should catch me unawares, my marriage will pack up. As in, I'm gone for good.
But, Chika, I don't understand. Is there anything you are not telling me? Why are you this disturbed?
What kind of temptation is this? What? Hi, God. Let's get into the car. I'll gist you.
Babe,
you're really shining.
My husband is taking good
I
care
don't
of me.
even understand you. Girl, this is your hair. So beautiful.
Thank
I know
you,
it's
darling.
original.
This is
But-
straight.
Oh,
Please,
okay.
Please.
Oh, you don't
Please
do.
select.
Let me do what I came for.
My God, please. How about this? This is beautiful.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Jennifer will definitely love this.
Hey, madam. You
Sorry.
see this one?
Sorry.
Discounts. The discount is gonna be much. Not that last week I just kept quiet. You see this one? I need more discount. I'm picking up a lot of things.
Pick. Hey, somebody to have a customer that is bigger than her.
Don't worry. You know, I'm much more of a family person now.
Yeah,
you shouldn't even call me a
course.
customer.
Of course, baby. Of course, you're right. How about this one? It's small.
I don't want it again. I'm okay.
Big one now. I'll give you the discount. No problem.
No,
I'll
I'm fine
give you.
with this. I think this is okay.
What about shoes, bags?
Will you pay?
Sorry.
Okay, so
All right.
I think
You can keep them here.
I will. Remember, I need this polo.
Okay.
This one.
This one too.
Oh, no, this one is too.
How about this? This is beautiful.
I don't want.
Colorful. Come on.
Okay, fine. Keep
Hey,
it.
that's my
Take
girl.
this one. Hey, you like money too
My dear,
much.
what to do? So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you adding the Gmail?
No, it's too long.
Okay, yeah, actually.
Yeah, and it's just as if when you order new goods, you call your customers before you call me. Because how come not even one trouser for my daughter?
My love, I'm sorry. Let me add this. This is fine.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
So how much is it?
Okay, I'll give you for 120,000.
Who will pay?
Only.
No discounts, madam.
Okay.
No discounts.
Okay, I'll give you 110. No problem.
I'm not paying. I'm paying 100.
Why are you like this? Hey, why are you like this?
You pay the 100 now. And when I give you 100, you pay the 10,000 for yourself. It's your money, so just pack it. I don't. Okay, for Jennifer.
Again. Okay, no problem. I'll pack it. Wait, let me send my account details.
You like money.
No idea what to do.
And you are shining.
I'm giving you good stuffs now. Huh?
You're getting
I've sent it.
I've seen it. Is it not you? Why will you waste time when it comes to me? I've seen it. Let me do it.
My girl, don't be like this. Don't be like this. You know I love you and I love my daughter too.
I've done the transfer.
Okay, please you help me. Yes, can you do like this? So my girls will help you outside. Okay? Thank you very, very much.
I'll go, but I'll come back. And this time, I'll take almost everything free.
No, you can't do that to me. Don't be like this. Support your girl. Stop eating me too much.
Acharugomu, my moon and my sunshine, my Ferrari, my Bugatti, Negodemwa.
We need to talk, please. Just sit.
Sorry, it's quite unfortunate. Your seat is being occupied with your goose. It's okay, I'll stand.
Fine.
So what bothers my queen? What's the problem?
Listen, I don't like the way you frequent this shop every day. I don't like it.
Why?
Can't you see? People are beginning to talk. Before you know, people will know both of us. I don't like it. Just stop it.
Baby, I think the fragment of your imagination, that is what is wrong with you.
It's not my imaginations.
Then what is it?
Can't you see? You just saw my friend. She left this place. That lady visits this place at least twice a week.
So?
So? I am a married woman. You frequent here all the time and it's not good for me. Please, just stop it.
Babe, listen, I understand, okay? But I think a fragment of your imagination is what is affecting you. It's playing a fast one on you.
No. I know what I'm saying. Please. I know what I'm saying. Just stop it. Stop coming to this place. This is an open place. Please.
No, come on, man. Come on. Babe, that's not possible. You know I can't live a day. I can't do without you. I'm extremely in love with you. You don't get it. You're my Bugatti, baby. You're my Ferrari.
I know.
I can't stay without you.
I know, but all I ask is for us to be careful. Just for us to be careful. Please, Bikono. I'm married, Bikono. Please. Say yes, please.
Okay, yeah, okay. If that will make you happy, okay, I will adjust a little bit, alright?
To make me happy.
To make you happy.
Yes, adjust. Go a little bit. Just
put a smile on your face. You know what, as usual, I'll tip you some alert, okay? That should brighten up your day and make up for today.
Okay, just
look at you.
A little.
My Bugatti. It's okay. Stainless. I got you covered, alright?
Thank you.
Okay, you know what, let me take you out for lunch. It's time.
Lunch?
Yeah?
Okay.
You don't want to do lunch?
I'm filled up already.
Really?
Yes.
We could grab some pizza, you know?
Pizza? Okay. Pizza.
You don't want pizza?
I don't want pizza.
Or let's do shawarma then.
Mary, please. I'm begging you in the name of the Lord. You have to help me. You really have to help me. I'm actually in a feast right now. You see, the money my husband sent to me to use and secure a portion of land for for us. I actually gave it to Prince. Yes, because his mother was sick then, and I was admitted in the hospital. And again, his house rent expired, so he needed my help.
Unbelievable. Chika, you used the money your husband sent to you to buy a portion of land, to buy love? I don't know how I can help you out of this situation.
No, Mary. Mary, listen. Mary, you're my friend, right? If you don't help me, who will?
What do you want me to do?
You are a civil servant. You work in the government parastatal, right? I don't know if you can just help me arrange a portion of land, you know. Something I can just show to my husband when he returns, yeah? As soon as he goes back, I'll return it to you. That's all I'm asking for.
That is not going to be easy. Besides, it looks risky.
Mary, listen, I don't see any risk in all this. It's actually what you can do for me, please. Or would you rather prefer they kick me out of this place?
No. If he kicks you out, he is not going to marry me. But doing such arrangement is not easy.
I know. Calm down. I understand it requires some expenses, which I'm ready to take care of, okay? Mary, listen. You just have to try your best for me. Please help me save my marriage, Biko. Oh? Biko.
It's okay. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much, okay?
What are friends for?
Thank you. One more thing.
What?
You know, I'm thinking, no. I know that once my husband comes back this time, he would want us to go to find a solution for our childlessness. And him taking me to the hospital is not what I want. Like, it's going to be a bad idea for me. You know now. Please, what am I going to do? I need your help.
Don't worry. I'll tell you what to do. But for now, I have to go. I have some few things to sort out in the office. Wow. It's okay. I'll call you.
Thank you so much, darling. God bless you. I'm super grateful, Mary.
You're welcome.
Please help me. I pray all this works out well for me. Don't allow my mistake ruin me, please, Lord. Please. God, please help me. Please.
You want to flex yourself. You say, body no be firewood. You say, you don't go down your moment. You must enjoy life.
Mommy, I'm enjoying the food. It's delicious. Tessie is a good cook.
Really? Yes.
Yeah, Tessie is a good cook, but her food doesn't taste better than Rita's own. Mommy, is it true?
No, it's not true.
It's true!
Junior, what is wrong with you? Rita doesn't work here anymore. Get used to it. What is wrong with you? Tessie is equally a good cook. The food is not bad. It's not. Eat.
Okay, Mom.
Shh. Daddy. Hello, honey.
My love, how are you doing and how are the kids?
I'm fine. We are actually having our dinner.
Oh, that's lovely. Let me talk with the children.
Okay. Daddy wants to talk to you.
Daddy, good evening.
Good evening, my dear. How are you?
Daddy, I'm fine. Daddy, I want to see you.
You will see me soon, okay? Give the phone to Gino. Let me talk with him.
Alright, bye. I love you. I want to talk to him. Hello, Daddy.
Oh, my boy.
Daddy, I'm fine. But Daddy, I'm missing you. I want to see you. When are you coming back?
I'll be back by weekend, okay?
Is that a promise?
Yes, I'll be back by weekend.
Okay, Daddy said he'll be back by weekend.
Okay, let me have the phone and make sure he does that.
Okay.
Hello, husband. Junior said you'll be back by weekend. Is that true?
Yes, I have already booked my ticket to Nigeria.
Okay. I've really missed you. Please, just come back. I miss you so much. I love you too. Yeah, that is coming back by weekend.
Yay!
Table manners.
I'll have to prepare.
Prepare for what?
You got to cook this rice.
You cook?
Yes.
Not in my kitchen.
I will blow your kitchen up.
Table manners. Yeah, hello? Val. Yes, something came up and I would like to tell you about it. Everything is alright, everything is fine, just that my husband will be coming back this weekend and I would like all calls and appointments cancelled. Please, you have to understand, okay? Thank you.
You think it go last forever? You think it will last?
So girls, I want all hands to be on deck because you all are going to help me with this party tomorrow.
I am not shivering because I know that tomorrow is going to be fun all the way. I am so prepared for you. Eh? Kosi, why are you not saying anything? At least contribute to what we are saying now.
Are you here with us?
What do you want me to say? Or you expecting me to say any other thing other than what you just said? Of course you should know I will always support my sister.
Oh wow.
Did you say that?
Of course I did.
I only asked because I know she's not a social person. Neither are you a party freak kind of person like some of us. That's not true. I was only prioritizing the future. That's it.
Yeah, madam.
That's by the way. I am in for the party. You know what says? Tomorrow, you are going to be seeing the new version of me. A what?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, so excuse me. Kosi, this is my party we're talking about. It is my party.
I know, we're not dragging it. No. Seriously, I cannot wait to see this new version of yours tomorrow. Okay, now. Just be warming up. Kosi, so. I'll get it. I'll go on. I like this. I'm liking it. So, because it's your birthday, that's why you're not giving me popcorn. Leave the popcorn for her. Let's see how.
I beg.
Your guest can't see you. You could not even give up.
Are you good? I'm telling you.
Buy your new version. I cannot wait to see. You will see tomorrow. If I don't see it, I'll finish it.
You think it go last forever? You think it will last forever?
I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. Very sorry.
No, it's fine. How are you?
Very well.
So, you sounded so urgent on phone. Hope everything's fine.
Yes, there's a situation right now. We won't be seeing each other often again. I mean, for some time.
Why?
my husband will be coming back to Nigeria any moment from now. I mean, from tomorrow. So I just want you to stay away from me. Let's lay low for now. You understand? Like, he will soon be back, and then we'll get back to seeing each other again. And I promise you, Prince, listen. I promise to call you whenever I can, okay?
Alright, it's fine, I understand. Alright? I'll be patiently waiting.
Fine. Thanks for your understanding.
You're welcome.
I am going to ask about the money I borrowed you. I'll be needing it for something very urgent, so I don't know if I can get it now.
Oh, that. Well, I'm expecting something in my account. Maybe by next week. Once I see it, I'll send it to you.
Thank you. Prince, please endeavor to pay up. I need the money and it's very urgent.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'll be expecting your call then.
I'll call you.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Your daddy. I thought you were going to cheat it again with your busy schedule.
Oh, honey, come on. Okay, welcome, sir. Thank you. Thank you. That will make me change it. Okay?
Oh, really? Okay, fine.
Come here.
I missed you,
I
darling.
miss you too, honey. So,
okay.
thank you. Honey, who are they? Our new staff?
Oh, yes. This is Tacy,
Okay.
my new cook and housekeeper. While the other one is Pius, my new driver, and of course, the gate man.
It's okay. So, kids, shall we?
I won't let go of you.
I'll leave you to
But now you see in the past, like
Wow! Good to be home! There is no place like home, honey.
Yes, you can say that.
Wow! I miss you too, baby.
So happy you're back.
Oh, thank you. I'm back.
Do you want to eat your daddy?
Mom, you're jealous.
Jealous? No, I'm not.
Showing
Don't.
your arm.
I will beat you.
You are.
Okay, that's enough. You know what's going to happen? Allow daddy to go upstairs and freshen up while I set the table. How about that deal?
What if I say I don't want to eat?
Really?
Uh-huh.
Baby, are you not hungry? Are you not hungry?
I want to play with Daddy. What did you buy for me?
Everything you asked for. I got them for you.
I hope you got my favorite strawberry and chocolate.
Of course I did.
Yay.
Everything you asked for.
Thank
I
you,
got them all.
Yay! Thank you,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Okay, really?
I mean, you cook my favorite, right?
Of course, you know your darling wife can never disappoint.
That's
I
mine?
made your favorite meal.
Let's
go. Hello? What is wrong with you? What? I've told you to stop calling me. Stop it.
Honey, who's that?
Honey, some guy like that. I don't know. He called yesterday and said, I was asking me if I want to buy cement. As if I'm building a house. And I've told him, stop calling me. It's a wrong number, but he won't listen. I don't know.
It's okay, honey. Don't spoil this mood. Please, let's go. Let's smile on your face.
I'm showing some of my mind.
Oh, yeah.
No music today in this house. No music. Babe, what is it we can't discuss on phone?
Listen, babe, listen. We are leaving the city.
Why?
You were there when she called me, right?
Yes.
Do you know the content of that call?
No.
She wants me to keep off because the husband is coming into town.
Is that why you want us to leave the city?
Hey, listen. She's already demanding for all the money she gave me as a loan.
You don't mean it.
Yes. Listen, I've saved enough money for us to start all over in another city, alright? So, you have to sell up the shop. Get in there, pack your things. In fact, get somebody to pick up everything in the shop, eh? Get home, pack your belongings. We are leaving.
I need to sort out myself now. I'm not used to take.
There's no time to waste.
Yes. You don't want to drink? Let's drink.
Babe, there's no time for drink. Go in, move, let's go. Get in, let's go. No time. In fact, we are leaving this country. Fast, hurry.
Hope you're enjoying the food, sweetheart.
The pudding is in the eating. I am enjoying the food.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Daddy, when you're not around, Mom don't cook tasty food like this.
Junior?
Daddy, it's true. That's why we want you around whenever you travel. Everything used to be so different. Yes, Daddy.
Thank God you can hear it from them. That's good.
Alright, you see, kids, I am not traveling anytime soon. I promise you to stay with you long time this time around.
Wow, yay! Daddy, thank you!
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Give me 5. Give me 5.
Knuckle!
Oh, big boy. Knuckle.
I hope you're not kidding. You promise?
My word is my bond.
Thank you. Thank you so much, baby. I love you.
You are my world best. I will forever love you.
Thank you. Let me feed you.
Table manners. Table manners. No talking while eating. Concentrate. Eat your food.
Are you good?
You want to enjoy life. You want to flex yourself. You say body no be firewood. You say you don't go down your moment. You must enjoy life. You go enjoy yourself. Life is good, this life is sweet, but don't kill yourself with enjoyment. Enjoyment they kill. You thought you're wise, life they kill.
Stop.
What to do?
Babe, I'm very tired. So tired, please.
Maybe I understand you're tired, but I need you. You traveled, you just got back. And you know I missed you so much. I've missed you. And listen, see, even if it's the usual 2 minutes, I won't complain. Let it be that something entered there and came out. Please now. Oh, I need you.
Babe, please. Why are you so selfish and insensitive? Why? Please, if you don't want me to stay in this room, I'll peacefully walk out, go to the guest room and sleep. Please. I am tired, understand? I am tired, I can't. Please.
Can you imagine what you're saying to your wife? Insensitive, selfish. Don't worry, I know you're tired. It's my job. I can do it myself.
Oh, no. Leave me alone now, please. I don't have the strength. I don't. I'm tired. I'm tired, please. Understand.
Baby,
Yes, my love.
breakfast is ready.
I am coming. Okay?
What do you mean you're coming? What? You've been with your laptop for hours. What is wrong with you? Come, let's go and eat before the food gets cold.
Honey, I'll be with you shortly. I just need to tidy up this deal, please.
May God help us in this world, cause we don't know where we are heading to. May God help us in this world. Makiti abingini fuwa, Rabika bawagio.
You must welcome me once again.
Thank you very much, Andy. The city has really changed.
I know, right?
Yeah.
You're surprised with the rate of development.
Yeah, and it feels good to be back.
I know. Now you have to go upstairs and freshen up while I make your meal.
See, honey, you don't have to bother. We're eating out today, so I can use that opportunity to look around and see things for myself.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah.
But I still insist you need to freshen up and grab some rest. You know we can go later.
Okay then. But I've missed you a lot.
I missed you more. Okay.
Baby, when I'm good, the way you when I'm getting the attention. Baby, when I'm good, the way you when I'm there make me crazy. Party day hot, me and you not tonight. Party day hot, me and you not tonight.
How are you?
Did I check out? I'm only talking about me see what I go tell my mom. Baby, wine and good. Baby, wine and good. Baby, shake and good. Baby, wine and good. Baby, shake and good. I love the way you dey wine and. Baby, wine and good. I love the way you dey shake and. Keep it, gently.
Excuse me, that's at the Guala.
Keep beating it, keep beating it, keep beating it, keep beating it. Baby, wine and good, the way you wine and getting the attention. Baby, wine and good, the way you wine and get make me crazy. Party day hot, me and you not tonight. Party day hot, me and you not tonight. And you flute on the beat, yeah. So we do Vaseko. Oh, check it. Now who the checker? Baby, wine and good, the way you wine and getting the attention. Baby, wine and good, the way you wine and get make me party day hot. Me and you not tonight. Party day hot.
I say,
Me and you not tonight.
you say,
Get a check out. I'm a little bit
Hey,
of
girl.
Baby, wine and brother. Baby, wine and brother. Baby, shake up, brother.
Who the shake out? Who the shake out? Who the shake out? Who the shake out?
Baby, wine and brother.
Who the shake out? Ayayo. Alhaji Sanjima. That's what what's up, baby.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Mr. DJ.
Happy beautiful birthday, girlfriend.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to call on the celebrants to come and cut the cake. Miss Oluchi, today is your birthday. All these people are here to celebrate with you. How do you feel?
I feel very happy, honored. I don't know what word to use, but I'm so excited. Body is sweet me. Body just sweets me anyhow.
It is your day. Just
don't waste now. Make good a joke.
You know, yes, I'm telling you as much. I know.
That's very good. Well, before you cut the cake, there is someone here who wants to appreciate you in a special way. Let's hear what he has to say.
Thank you, my very good friend. So you stop here. Only my love. Assam Pete. You know I love you, right? And in a very short time, you have become an integral part of me. And there is no doubt about that. I know this might not be the perfect place or the perfect time, but as a man, I have to do what I have to do.
Okay. What is it?
I love you with all my heart.
You joke.
I just can't imagine my life without you in it. So at this point, I will be a very happy man if you have a place in my life. Before everybody seated here today, I want to humbly make a request. Please, marry me.
My dad don't go again. You joke.
Wow.
What's the meaning of all this, Oluchi? What's the meaning of this nonsense? How can I throw a birthday party for you and someone else is here proposing to you?
It's not what you think.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? No, what is this nonsense? What is all this about? What else do you want me to think? What do you want me to think? Oh. And what's this nonsense?
Can you just calm down, please? Just I don't know.
Take a chill pill.
Wait, Chelu.
Who's this old man
I'm sorry.
with native and...
Hey, just wait. Just wait. Why? Hey.
Sorry, hold on. Girlfriend, let me, I have to explain to you. Listen, it's not really what you think. Yes. You understand? It's not just what you think.
Old man, who are you?
If you must know, I am Chief Ugonna, the Atakata one of Umuze Kingdom. I threw this party that you are here proposing to your girlfriend. I spent all this money, all these people here. I gathered them. What is your mission here? Why all this embarrassment?
Chief,
please, not here. Please,
let's tell me that.
Please, let's go outside and we can talk about it. It's not what you think. Actually, I can explain to you.
Why will you? You don't even have to explain anything.
Just calm down now.
What are you telling me to calm down for, my friend?
Wait, Chief, can actually let's go. Let's talk about it.
Talk where?
You see, help me now. Talk to him. Chief, it's not what you change. Please, can you just calm down? Chief,
what sort of nonsense is that? You don't even. I'm talking about everything. You don't have anything to explain here, my friend.
Chief.
What are you explaining?
Chief now.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
What's in the shop now? We go run this man. What's in it?
Listen, you are a fool. Don't even think.
Chief, it's not what you think. Can you just listen? Once again, Cherry, just wait. Hey, Chief, Frank. Chief.
What is what? Frank! I don't even think. Nonsense.
Hey, Chibo! All is finished. Hey, my day is over. Hey, my day is over. Oh my god, my own is finished. I am doomed. Hey! Oh!
She's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay! It's okay with what? How can this be okay now?
Listen, you don't have to kill yourself. The thing has been done already.
I will kill myself, I will kill myself. Just look at the disgrace now. Where do I start from? Look at this is public shame.
How will you say you will kill yourself just because of this? You don't even know what the future holds for you.
Okay, this is just because. Uju, this is just because, Sophia. You were standing there, you couldn't even do anything, you couldn't even help me. And you should have taken Chief outside. You should have spoken with him, you are my friend. You know the both of them. You should know what to do in times like this now. Why are you talking like this? Don't tell me that! Don't tell me that! Please don't tell me! Don't tell me, let me mourn. I don't understand. What is wrong with you? I have lost the two most important men in my life. And so? My money bags! And so? What do you mean and so? I said and so! Are you going to die over it? I will die over it, okay? You're not even my friend after all. You've been jealous. Excuse you?
Appearance, lost the house. People judge. And the angels go come. Good deed they say pays very well. One good turn deserves another.